What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Right now my people, the internet turn upside down. Cavii and Style by Meech, I go at it my people. You see me I say. Also we have Ivani and Was, I go at it. That a Hakeem ex-girlfriend. Ivani attack about the relationship between she and Hakeem was toxic and a bunch of things. You know what I mean? Me also have more things to share my people. But Cavii and Style by Meech, them take the cake and one bag of something and bust up my people. So yo, me I go there now. Oh, we also have the Cat Woman and share my people. I go at it. So the internet mash right up. So me just I go jump in it right now my people, cause it's a lot for share. Me don't even know if maybe me care this guy maybe 3 hours or more. That's how much things me have to share with you now.
Listen to me. Listen, come on,
bro. Yo,
clap, man. All you have to do, I fall with a foot, bro.
Yo.
Just fall with a foot, bro. I'm dip on the bag of long chat. Fall with a foot,
brother. If you come in, bro, you don't need problem.
Come on, hear me I tell you. Buckle boy. Fall with a foot.
Talk on the live where doctor them
fall with a foot, man.
Fall with a live. Never hear Boban boy.
Yo, Party boy, no matter what. You're mad dog, boy.
When you move, yo, doctor. Yo,
mad youth.
Yo, murder than kiss Annie. Murder than kiss Annie. Yo, listen to me now, murder than kiss Annie.
You're a waste man.
Yes, man. Oh, you know me a waste man, boy. Why upon that?
You're a waste man, you.
Why?
You're a waste man, you.
You're a doctor, them a call.
You're mother, you.
Doctor, look like transfer you to the
wife.
Look like we transfer me. Yo,
why you come on my foot? Why you not come on my foot right now? Fall with a foot, bro. Fall with a foot.
Fuck out, you never know.
Fall with a foot, no.
Fall no. Back out
with a pussy.
Stay mother boy. Tell nobody remember different foreigner, but the boy. Like them should have beat you before them say they come out to Jamaica. Your mother.
Deal with a pussy. Fall with a foot.
The doctor is with you, bad man.
Fall with a
come like. No man, come like with you. Yo, you go get black. Your page go get ban. Your page go get. You get 3 restrict pussy.
Your mother, you. Your mother. And the whole of your dead people them can't. Yo. The whole of your dead people them can't.
John just got brain out that mouth already.
You hear that?
Jesus, I need more than a boy. We have to care for.
Batty man.
Hey,
guys. Mother.
Nurse.
Go fuck out your mother, man.
Bam, I'm up on the life.
Forward a foot. Come on foot. Come on foot. Come on foot.
But you the laugh now.
Cocky boy. You want fish. You want clap.
Me tell him I say doctor.
Come off for anime man. Come off for anime man.
Remember say the right there. With kina brother you forward right there.
Come off for anime.
I tell you about result. The doctor call. Let me know what talking for life. It's urgent.
Fish.
Yo, call urgent.
Use a bitch. Use a you want big. You want
nurses.
You want
me calling her.
You want pussy. Come on. Alright, so come on. Link up now. Link up now.
Hit up.
Hey, man, see face on him a bust down.
I'm about to go to work.
Yeah.
I'm about to go to work. You know what I'm saying? Chat, y'all shouldn't have to wait for no birthday or no special occasion. Let your lady take care of every day.
Definitely.
You never know what he did.
Alright, definitely. Thank you.
Have fun.
Alright, babe. Focus on him driving now, please.
Spring time. Hey, on some slush. Hey, this is shit I see in the movies.
You don't flush it down good, babe. You have to get that. There now.
Really?
Go again. Yes, I'm feeling now.
I don't know where to start. Alright, hold up. Boy, this looks serious.
Yeah, come on, babe.
I know you love coleslaw. One thing I know you love is coleslaw.
You have to get into it.
Yeah.
Get into it.
I'll get a coleslaw. Hold on. One more try. Wait. Don't know. Wait.
babe. Check out, babe. What gonna look on, babe?
Don't play with that. I'm trying to
Go
tell you.
again. Let's see. Wow, you see the seat has slid off like bone. Like no joke. Yes, yes. Dip it again, babe. Dip it again.
Ready? Pop your shit. Pop your shit.
Woo-wee.
Okay. Okay. Stop playing.
No, like that hit the spot.
This hit the spot. Yo.
That hit the spot.
I'm not even want. I had enough seafood. You can enjoy that. I don't want no more
So you
seafood.
know one in a man.
Babe, I chicken out here with. No, what's this? Ribs?
That's real.
I poured this. I don't know why you looking over here.
Why blame them and try so hard?
I know the real bum that. How much people? Yeah,
Real one tastes really
I thought it was gonna come with mashed potatoes. It came with fries. But it's a good look though.
Alright, I guess you should have followed you. I didn't should have followed you.
I won.
You like feel when you went down. You want to see?
No, baby, enjoy, baby.
Really? You know, I purpose. They didn't try to give him money.
Baby.
He's mine. No. Yeah, the kid's mine. Keep up with you?
Yes, sir. No,
Yeah,
baby.
it's shrimp pasta. And you know one thing, it's not mine too.
Eat, baby, enjoy. Yeah. With your sexy self. Enjoy, baby. Love you. Thing. She don't like her order though. She ordered shrimp pasta, shrimp lasagna. I don't know what that is. As much as we've been eating seafood, I got the order.
I guess you want to just look at mine.
Alright, my people, so I can't talk much because I don't want to take up too much of the time because I have a lot to share with you. So tell me what you think in the comment section about LD, and Yankee. I go at it online. Me know say if Yankee hold LD name would have pop up in look ass because LD maga and stringy in the blood. Let me know what you think. I can watch some more.
That's okay. Me one, it's my one now. No more. It's not
Money from my strawberry.
No, me not another friend. Varney, me know if you like I can go around the thing. You want to go around and go like you want this everybody with a bumbo cloth thing front. Your front will shut up the place. AK Varney 7. Let me tell you something. Thinking from
Money on me and I have nothing from this thing come out with everybody on the drama hacking them. People send me say she watch live and she react to live. Remember say me you not have nothing. Well away, I just teammate and there it goes. No friend or nothing. We're just teammate. And you just want to have a pick to make cause for you bad man and jealous over me? From Sammy days? From Neil and Akim days?
Yeah.
From I always get forward more than you? Me not do that girl, not do that girl. Me you not have nothing girl. Stay in your lane and me stay in my lane professionally. Me no company internet for do that. Me no bag, me no grow ghetto, me no do that. I respect the ghetto people them because majority of my links are ghetto dogs and ghetto ladies. You see it? So I respect ghetto people. But I'm not that type of person. I don't come on the media for fast with nobody. But no girl can feel like they can fast with me. I'm not going to argue with over internet. I really watch them, something me laugh and I say, look how me I get so freaking crazy. I never know what it was. Me just not like that. Like, me not gonna have a problem with people like that, but I just don't like that.
I like it.
TJ, you see it, I just don't do the drama. Like, I finally can get an iPad for me because she never get it from being with family and me being with family because I'm always her favorite. So, me not gonna think she'll get an iPad up on TikTok. Hi, TJ, okay?
Stop your man, TJ.
Dre, thank you.
30 boy, TJ.
Guys,
Block you.
Me not
Leave.
do that. Me not have words. Me not have words to do that. Me not do that.
Yeah, freeze. You know what?
Jaden doesn't want to be there because Jaden man used
What's your
don't
freeze?
cuss people. Yeah. So me say, please make me don't cuss nobody. I never let a time say don't argue with nobody on TikTok. Eh?
Yeah, but things and time change, darling. So my time.
You don't answer?
So my time we have to defend myself, darling.
What? I'm so disappointed in you because that's all you stay and make them dry you out. Can you? No, alright, look on it now. May I freeze? Jaden, you hear me?
Yeah, freeze. Yeah,
Jaden.
freeze. Restart. Refresh the page and come back.
No, something else. Me go promote my queen because I can't manage. I don't know what happened. You see it? It's just the energy. Like, I can't do all of that. Oh, you can hear me. But I don't know. No, not. No, she's just crazy. Guys, I don't know I'm to connection. Jaden, it's okay now? Hold on, me come off my app and come back. Hold on.
Yeah, do that.
We go catch Kuzwa put her one big old tattoo. So we never have the time for coming in our room.
Me don't. What's this, man? I watch you, man. Watch. But I say, oh, man. You want me? Yes. Yes, me, I hear you. Dr. She, go fish, she's so sad. Sure, it is Dr. She. Me dear. Guys, me don't know what I'm to internet. The internet. The internet. The internet. The internet. You hear me now? Come on, guys, me go and promote my cream. Can you hear one? Bringing down people selfishly, promoting cream self for me. Come on, bring down. Come on, bring down people. Me not come on. How set yourself care nasty girl. Stay in your lane. I'm staying on my lane. And no pussy test. Must say one Benzema. I must say me not have to come argue with you for pay my bills, eat. Now have a great life, alright? I use my business for that. Okay. So if you look somebody for argue, it's your Benzema, and I got argue. Me never see, me never hear. If I'm on the level, girl, you're not up on my levels, girl. You have to just stay in your lane. Like, everybody staying at them own a lane. Everybody know them race. Fast race, slow race, medium race. Sick race, healthy race. You have to choose your race. My dear. Anyways, guys, the people them on the live. I don't know what the live I got done, but anyways, I want Benzema on a pussy test. I'm new to the app. I'm not do that, babe.
No problem. Boss lady, the manager, asked her about me. When she did a promoter, I lash them. What me never see you there on? Never see you. When we are on him in the music video and the thing, them and they run goes with you all 1 month, they run damage them. We never see you. The blood clot Airbnb squash everybody come down there and go and chill with you. We never see you. So what the fuck you are talking about? Back to the story now. She never want to got my blood clot. Yeah, that goes off to say one. Not I want to friend them drop me home. Drop me home, I'm going to go home and thing.
You might hear me, but you not answer. I don't know. I not pick up good. The Wi-Fi come at me the far friendly. I don't know. Them set a freeze. I don't know. What the hell is really happening to my Wi-Fi? Oh, him freeze. No, I'm not freeze. I him do it. Yeah, cause you can know somebody do it. I him do it with you. Him live no freeze.
I'm come talk about me.
We just a still.
You know, oh, me not forget the truth come on.
Yeah, I don't know.
What me know about.
Yeah, me know someone play. Guys, anyways, me and mute because I can't take a mix up. So I'm gonna promote my cream. So why should I do that for PR? May I do this for buy another Benz? Anyways, so guys, there are 3 sizes in the body cream. Shop was spend somebody assisting at topic on TikTok right now. Shop our bleaching cream. No. Anyway, so she have the mega size body cream will last you a month. She have the medium size will last you 2 weeks, and then she have the smaller size. So this is the body cream. Guys, remember, so when you buy a body cream, you have to buy body oil if you mix it in it, or you buy body serum. So if you want more peeling, you use the oil, right? Tell me comments if you not hear me, if you not see me. If you want more peeling, you use the oil. If you want less peeling, you use the serum in the cream. Right? So I must have the body cream on so on the hot topic, one nice clean Benzema the boy. Yes, hot topic. One more if I could play it on me the hot topic. Jesus. Hi Vonnie, let go my shirts. Let go my shirt. I know some some girl or wrong. Some class always I say, but that's why you add me for your life for class I value. I said no girl, I'm not go do that. I'm not give them girl the time of the day. Now see that Osha look like she gone back over the Tamale's story. So she got add and put in ticker. Tell me something about TL girls, TL. Come with some new now. Come with when you shot the people. Girl, I'm me leg on my mouth, yeah. Come with something new now. Something new. You hear something new about me? Come here, have me hear enough new about you, but I know my business, so I'm not take a business tell you. That's for sure how different I am from you. Go figure out how to deal with your personal self. Yeah, some area. So she walk a shot. But as a girl to a girl, I go.
As me say my people, I can't talk much because I want to see a space for everything when I have to share with you know. Make me know what I think and make you watch some more.
Because about yeah, walk a shot, but just I tell her as a girl to a girl, go to a doctor, visit a doctor, get health care. Alright, baby girl? Yes. Yes, Ivan, you have to do that. As a woman, you have to do that. So I'm not gonna take that and cuss you because I'm not that type of girl. Rich, you come from my life, so you have move and going. Yes, Brie, me not gonna trouble that. That's why I say me not take it cuss her. So she can cuss me with whatever. Me not take it cuss her, but that know that me hear and that people cuss her I say. But me as a girl to girl, me I tell her I go visit the doctor. So lower for Benzema name, I go visit the doctor. Cool? Yeah, me not take it tell her about a girl a classmate, so I feel free to say what I'm saying. I'm professionally, I'm gonna come on TikTok and let you know. I'm not gonna curse you about what I hear about you that seems to be true. I'm just gonna say, woman to woman, Benzema is telling you, I found a visit a doctor, come off for my name, come off for family name, because you know say 1, 2, 3, but the dope. We're done. Cool. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show them a package deal them now. So guys, we have the bestseller, the 1 month supply. Right? I was on the live, no, blame them add me. Right? She add me. No why you not see what I'm going? People don't want, you know, argument with me, so then come back to family days. Shit. I don't even like you. But anyways, just now she up on a live, I cuss now about family. She mad, like she gone back in a way of 2020, what? One that or 2022? She mad? What you want to do that to stay relevant? How is that helping you, girl? That's crazy. I come on my live and me just come on for promote my stuff. When the summer go with Akima there, yeah, I realized they said that she went live and she react to me live talking about my past, you know, my past and my experiences and something, man. They must say to her she react, you that come like she bad man and bitter. I still not come live and just didn't realize because I don't do that. I'm very professional. I have a brand. Remember say me no do OnlyFans and the things. I have a brand when I them I sell, not my front. You see? So me have to come out and me have to be professional, prompt, and very, very A+ on everything I do. And the media is full digital footprint. So me now go come on and do the most and class the most. And when I look my children born and go on the media, oh, they say your mom is famous. And go on that and they see my mom in front and everybody talking about my front, deep, wide, tight, pink, black, shrivel. Me not do that. You understand? My brand is my face. So whenever you see me, you're supposed to see my brand. You're not supposed to see me and hear down a town. I respect down a town because enough things me buy down a town. But me just get something across. My face is my brand. So like how she can come do that. Remember, so she do certain things where that's okay with her character. I'm a different girl. Star, right, Noah? Cool, yeah. So now if you know, so we have to portray. We have to portray what we sell, we portray that. You understand? Yeah, so I sell skincare. Me have to make sure say me do the right and me no in the bag of jam, me no the media class anybody. I don't do that. But overall, I'm not that type of girl. Me a girl born, me come from Ochi. Me come live at Portmore since me with Akim and something I would live at Portmore to turn to Portmore. Me not do that, guys. You not gonna ever hear me come and dirty pussy and no. That's not in me. She find fun and that's her character, that's her as a person. So no matter where she go, no matter what she do, what she achieve in life, she's gonna be the same her. Me, no, I was grown a different way. I was born a different way. So, me just develop all of that and me just get a brand and my brand is so big and why me gonna make this now give me a lot of craziness on my brand? Like, no, I don't do that shit. My face and my brand, so I have to represent Hi HR, I6. I'm here promoting my cream and I realize I'm in some type of altercation, so I'm just saying I'm all about my brand. My face is my brand and I don't go DL, I don't go negative. I have to represent my brand and I don't come on here and curse. I'm cool with every coworker. If a coworker have some beef with me or carrying a diamond's belly for me, they take it to God. Cool?
How much months?
But what are you guys saying though?
Not really. They are look it.
Okay, that's what I'm doing. I've been promoting and then I heard it's a lot of things going on. So I don't know. I really you have to take it with God. It's bigger than them. You have to take it with God. Guys will never see me come. Remember say one time me and a girl, I ever realized me and nobody else not argue. For sure no say me and no troublemaker, me not do that. Me not do me that is my years me a parent family them. And me not for calling me, me not for say 40. Me not do you say media will shake up here now. So you have to be careful. So that's why me learn that and say you see me. Not even me not like you, me not say it on the media. Cause me not want anything I'm saying you say Benzema this session like you. Me not do that girl. Me not do that girl. Me say like shadow in the dark. Me not do that. Me not do that. Cool? Yeah, me not do that. So, you see like how a big altercation over there, you say who after who after who, and then no, me and you go argue, and then something come to you, you say, and who the plan do it at was? You not gonna feel that, me you not argue. Oh, me not argue, me not do that. Me come and sell my cream and my gun. You realize me that a TikToker is not a ranker, me just a popular girl that's well known. And I sell my skincare and I go about my business. Me not do drama. If she want to bring up from last year to the nobody now, no file for me. Because my file is very clean.
My people, let me know what you think in the comment section because here we go on. You see the arguing on the internet and cussy and disrespect people and them something like not everybody it a go work for. And some of the people them we are do it, them and the person where them a cuss link and say yo we are gonna bring down one another forget some kinds of rare. So careful what I do. Let me know what you think. We can watch some more.
And if you don't want to accuse me of allegations of my ex-boyfriend and they don't come up with the proof, you can shut me up. But not until that day, you can't shut me up. And my ex is my ex and my present is my present, so you cannot bring me down because I'm my ex. So you have to come with something recent and something about my life. You can't bring me down about my ex. Because my ex is my ex. And the allegations, if you don't have proof, and when you come up with the proof, it still can't bring me down because it's my ex. So Wanna get it? But so try me couldn't know say you cannot bring me down. Come on, fight clean. I mean not take a bag of man. If you don't realize I told me that man, the Aki man family, cause me clean, I'm careful. And mama said me a good girl, I was brought up properly. You know? So me have to portray that. I'm a cream, I'm a face, I'm a brand. So me not you see me, yeah. But I respect get up people, I respect the people who have for drama out for sell them thing. Yeah, me not drama out. I come on live nice and decent and cool when me look a joke. But if you don't want to say me mag and me tough and me a chance in me have a clean tight pussy and me never shot no man. Clock that. Some just left that this okay. Woman to woman, me not bring down woman. But if a woman not bring me down, me I just say woman to woman, visit the doctor and just come out for my name. That's all. Me not gonna argue with them, me not gonna take it cuss you. But me hear it and it sound like a facts. So me I tell a woman to woman the time me I take to argue with me and cuss me cause me ain't have nothing, you know. Me depend this and every co-worker I live good. Me I live a compound this. So me come on tonight and me I cuss. Like why you I say you have me up, you breathe again for me? Don't do that. Play it cool, man. Play it cool. Me a co-worker, me might not be friends cause we used to share a man and used to say me was in favorite, but play it cool. Cause me not hate you. Me not hate you. I'm always talking because people always say, I don't know how you go back on one screen, Ivan. I'm like, me not hate you. Me not hate her, girl. Me not hate nobody. Me not have hard to hate nobody pan this. Me not know nobody pan this. And me not hate nobody pan this. And me not afraid of nobody pan this. Cool? Yeah, I mean, I want in no mix up, I want in no drama, I want in no back and forth, I not argue with nobody, I not come out for answer nobody, them can talk all around them more. When I get the club, I sell my cream, buy another Benz, buy another Bima, open another Airbnb, do something with my life. That's what I do. Me not do this, this not pay my bills, them. This, if I this alone, me sleep out a door. Cool? Yeah. I always read the room, but I just have to talk my mind and make it go out there. So I don't no beef for nobody, so I don't want nobody I say. Me in a drama, me nobody a cuss. No, them a cuss with themselves. All I want me reply to. No, Tavia, no. I'm just making a general statement. I'm not in any beef with anybody. You understand? Yeah, so back to business. I'm all about my business. Yes, Clarice. I just make a general statement. It's not beef over here. Benzema not do that. Cause when I go see, me not have no girl and no boy on my mind. But think about one next Airbnb for one next Benz by one Beamer, one Audi, one Porsche. Cause that me want to know, one Porsche. So this not gonna help me for bite. This not gonna stop me. You see it? Yeah.
But they're on my blood clot live now. And me and blame them did that play. I'm say no, I could add Ziggy and I will add two other people to play with. Ziggy now one match, so me and him there look. Instead to me say if me and WhatsApp anything in one other. And me say to him say, me and nobody not have nothing, you know, you can't add her. Cause me and her not have nothing for true. Me say me and nobody not have nothing. You can't add her. Him add her. I said so on my phone, same way I try look for Ziggy to see if I can add Ziggy. I know she over there look at me and set me for me not add down up on my blood clot live. And if you don't call him, my moderator block them. Block them. I black down and I make him go on. When now, me daddy now and she come over here. Something there. When name? Blame them, say to her, say, if me and my friend, whatever she add him, I say you add him. When he add her, me there scroll to see if I can find somebody for coming at the 4-way match, right? Me can't find nobody, me set somebody there clutch and me are looking at the trading thing. Blame them turn to her and say, so you not call to Vani, and Vani a friend. Here now, me not call to nobody, she come over here now, she for call to me. Who the fuck this naughty Dracula feel like? What? Normally, when we had past screen, you never used to come out and go and like how you used to go on. So where the attitude you come from now? Because me is a person like this. If me have a problem with you, I go call it up front. And that's why I can't manage it on a TikToker because on a low key, like for true shit and not hypocrite. Like if me know something have a problem with a girl, me not sit down on screen and play no hypocrite. But go tell her straight up to your face, say, girl, me not like where this say what you hear, or girl, me not like this, or girl, me not like that. You ain't need to hide behind the bush. You ain't need to hide behind the bush. Like Candy, every time I dep on live with the Batman Candy, him ever try to tell me forget coins. He ever try to tell me forget coins. Me ever play back with him. But when me say you constantly do it because every time you do it more kinds are coming. Me not go sit down and take disrespect. Me block him off of my page. Me no want have nothing to do with him. What do you hear him come on live? Him go like he want to friend me. I come and question me. And like you smile and I say, you me I talk to and why not chatting with me. Thinking say me don't talk to you. Me silent for the whole hours me up on the live silent now say nothing cause me not in and not talking. Me and Mount now go meet for good and me and Mount now go meet for bad. That's how far I want to stay from somebody. You see if I argue with you, I probably not have a problem with you. So me will keep up with arguing with you. But I say if I make it reach a point where me not go argue with you and me not go sit down and laugh with you, that means me just permanently want to stay the fuck away from you. Me not send out to him, me gone, me and him not deal. Jaden the next one. From me block him not stop run up in me and me not look. Everybody screen me depan. Him send match and I feel like say him can come talk to me. Me jump. As me see him, me jump. What do you Jabas ask for unblock him? Me unblock Jabas, him that over Jabas live. I tell Jabas to make me unblock him. Me done. Me not chatting with you. Cause when I say when I have on a whole heap of people them. But when I live pan people name forget views. When I look a pussy thing come out of every TikToker. When Jaden a play one match, Jaden dunk pan shoot, Varney shoot. You have to use my name forget gift. Cause the more you call my name with shoot, Varney shoot, and the more gift I come in. Because people don't like me, it's entertainment. So you me for tell me say you can't just sit down for your live and get gift, you have to call my name. When me say me done with Uno, me done with Uno. God alone can make me unblock you. There's been multiple times you try to come and screen with me nah look. Since night again, me jump. I could have in all one match with 90 years streak, so you come, me jump, me gone. Permanent one nothing to do with on a perm. Done. Stop follow me up. Me not internet, stop follow me up. Now me and this bitch come on screen. The bitch I go really look for me and tell me, say, as she for call to me, as she come over here. What's nobody I watch you? What's it look like a dead standing? I feel like I need to go get checked. Something seriously wrong with you. Me don't have a cocky maga you down or heads there me down or if I fuck too much Batman you me down. And you know why you
People, who don't make me know what you think in the comment section. More ask this thing. I wonder if Ivan want the asylum case to go through and approve or something. Why him a cause so much problem on the internet, he want to use that also for leverage when it come to that. Eh? No man, Ivan boy me not lie still. Yo, although me have this for say still now with people. Sometimes you see them people, you don't see them a cuss and a go on so. They have each other number and then call say yo, I bring down I go on so we are go war it out and then just do it and know say them good behind closed door. You see me? But me know want to think with people.
can't come out come talk and you know they will beat you up. Is a man take away your man from you and set the blood clot clear of fire. And that's why I not call to people first. Cause you look first a call for. Nobody know you. Bitch, me never run up in you. Even when your birthday, you send come call me. Out of everybody on the app, and me you send come call. Me never call you. Me never want go. Cause my page depend on me and them the people that are friend. Me never run up in a people. Me and people that are friend. When me and even Maya this stop talk, she first come follow me back. And when me come bust it up her life, so what a way she follow me. When me go back and look, she unfollow me. And she first come follow me. And when I come back live, come talk, so what a way she follow me back. By the time I go up on it, for sure the people she unfollow me. When your birthday, you send come call me. And you send come call me, me never call you. Me never want to play no match. You over there, you don't even win one game. Me dying for you 3 look match done and tell us later, me soon come back and never return. How the fuck you want me call to you? Call to you for what? Hey girl, go ring out your mother. But call to you. And the low key love to throw on the stones and give pride. You go hear the people them know say, oh, Mama unfollow her and block her from my page. You go hear the people them low key now I come say, oh,
What's your filter down the blood clot? Filter tired of you. Filter tired of you. You need to go check out yourself. Something wrong with you. And you swear think you're cute. Nobody no cuter than you. Cause when she ready for go on like she nice and turn up her music and in her vibes like she cute. Like she have flesh. Like she have calf tough like mine. I'd rather walk with my tough calf them any blood clot there than look like was. I'd rather look like a boneless chicken than look like you. Hmm? I rather look like one big dirty thick man. I rather walk with my calf them thick. I rather look ugly. I rather my lip them big like back pocket. Pants. I rather walk with a liver lip and a roast beef pussy. Yeah, that look like transmission was. What's look like when you lay down in a one grave for 6 feet and after how much years you will let the flesh off of your gun and left the whole skeleton bone. I saw what my share always look. Hold on. I'll show you what. This is what. I was this. I was blood clot this. All of them you see I was. This is what's Benzema. Just bone. Are you that bitch? This is you. All of them are you. Don't ever come rank yourself. I'm gonna block you from my page. Hold that block you too, bitch. Block. Go suck your mother. I never run up in a you yet. Are you ever run up in a blood clot me? I never run up in a you yet, girl. Oh. I never run up in a you yet, bitch. Hold that block there. Go ring out your mama. Tell people them say your mama walk a sucky same hood. And your mama uphold everything what you do and she know about the Batman but you the mama love sweet and she get money. She sit down like I want to look a dirty girl and I take everything what she get. Love me can't take it love sweet mama them. What's could have fuck 10 Batman but one she carry look at 10 grand go give her mother. She are the mama alright. I want to look a dirty mama she have to. I'm gonna click your live and turn off it because I have a look at dirty secret them. Cause you walk and fuck everybody in a town. And you walk and fuck off the whole of Portmore too. Oh, moderator all who mention the batty boy Jaden name. Black them, black them. Black them, black all of them, black them. Black the whole of them. Black them. Once they mention the J, black them when they mention the J, black them when they mention the blood clot W. Black all of them. Oh, I never trouble the bitch. But my life good at trade. Me I say, come on people, let's be real. I'm going to act like decent people now. You have a problem with me. Say you have a problem with me. And your company live. Mind you, me not send nothing to you. You don't have to send nothing back to me. It's simple. Was it that hard? It never hard. Remember, I know, me not send nothing to you, you know. Even if me did have a problem with you, the fact that me still not send nothing to you. Me not send nothing to you. Me that I mind me own a business. I look somebody for ad. Me I look somebody for ad. Why you couldn't do the same thing and just mind the business up here? If you're not playing a match, just say blam them, me not playing a match. And you're gone. If you play a match, you go and sit down and rest yourself and wait till we add the people them and we play a one match. But why you have to come say me first to call to you? What the point for me call to? I should have said I Bonnie. Or I transmission. I should have make up something and call to you for true. Or I AIDS victim. Or cancer victim. Because the way you look, I can tell you something really wrong with you on the inside. I God alone can come to me say, something not eat out your inside because that can't normal. Me know you was never a fat girl, but you never that skinny. So you look like you fade away. We soon can, we almost can't see through you. We almost can't see through you. Something wrong with her. She need to go take care of her health. Go on to the doctor. You see me go out there and clean up my pussy. Want to clean up for your health. And leave. I'm done with she now. Moderator block all of them people that will comment. Block them. Block. Block them. Oh, I don't have time for you, bitch. I trade. I don't have time for you.
And you come in my space. How long me there? You know long me not argue with nobody. Me I do something different from Uno. The only thing you have to survive is the bleaching cream, and a Nikki Chroma's bleaching cream. Nikki Chroma's pick you up and give you one job, ungrateful bitch. And you find out the woman remedy. And you sit down with the woman for months and months. You sit down around the woman's store for months and months and find out the woman remedy. And as you get the full remedy in effect, you left the woman place and go start mix your own cream. And start mix your own cream. And go turn your thing in a bleaching cream. And I sell Nikki Chroma's remedy and I go on like a feel. I go on like your born it a brains when you know about cream. When the people remedy your teeth and come sell. Remember I said they want to go maggo for loud fashion. They want to go around the people them for find out this and find out that. For go open up close store. That's what she do. She walk and go around everybody with a mindset. And we have them things and them business. Just for go around if you catch a remedy. And as soon as she blood clot get it. She run go create one too and start sell too and change up the name. And that she do. Yeah, smarty. Girl, me just get monetized from blood clot Twitch to make money. Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, favorited. I play games on my phone and get me to 500, 600 daily. What the fuck you have the bleaching cream alone don't have comes a girl go suck your mama. Oh, I don't talk with you now. You're too out order.
Stop. Walk around and make real problem. You're not joke, you know. You're not run no joke. You're serious. Me I run joke. What do you wanna do drive by? I'ma find out you do drive by. I'ma make 2 video on it. We make 2 video on it. It come like me never make no video. Cause who is you, Vanny? Who is you? Who you think you be? Who you think you be, Vanny? Who is you? Vanny, you're searching for love. And I'm searching for love too. AK Vanny 7. You're going like you have everybody.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section. More ask on this scene. Don't the lion man look like the character in a Donkey Kong, the little monkey? The little monkey way in a Donkey Kong. Tell me if the lion man no favor the little monkey in a Donkey Kong when him under that filter. Yeah.
Ah, you know see the tea we are going in your panty, darling. You know see that tea they were going in your panty. Me know say every time I go to the bathroom for pissy burn you. You're supposed to vex every time you want pee-pee. Every time you want pee-pee, you're supposed to vex. Hot tea. Stop arguing with the girl them. Stop arguing with the girl in pan yasso.
And them business just for go around if you catch a remedy. And as soon as she blood clot get it, she run go create one too and start sell too and change up the name. And that she do. Yeah, smarty. Girl, me just get monetized from blood clot which you make money.
Leave me alone now.
TikTok, Instagram, favorited. I play games on my phone and get me to 500, 600 daily. What the fuck you have the bleaching cream alone don't have comes a girl go suck your mama. Oh, I don't talk with you now. You're too out order. I'm so sick, I look at. You look at series and I play the series. 6, why you not coming at?
You see style, when you see style. When you see style, star problem, get one heap of views on our live. Run gone in a match. I hope the people ever run. Vanny them now go stick with the darling. You don't notice? That begin style they stop work, darling. You have to go skill. You know see what Tavi do? Mama, you have to go skiller than that. You have to can keep the people. You have to can keep the people, darling. Me know say Talib Bow supposed to hate you. You're there bumbuckler foreign and jealous of people at Jamaica. Something can go so. Something can go so. Your reply, if was come and say, me never fuck nobody, man. The reason why was come and say that because when me, Jabas, and she did up on the live and book to her, she was asked a question. You see it, and somebody said, and what would you do with Jaden? Our next party we can say, no, she not gonna make the same mistake again. And me say, them have me as Batman. You see it? So what you try say? You see me I say, and what say? Me no fuck no Batman. So at that she sleep on the FYP. And I try to come for the girl. How this?
Sorry, accident.
Varney too blood clot enough, man. You're too enough, man. Worry about your wall. Don't worry about your front, man. Anyhow, me see you on the new Candy song where I run the place now. Anyhow, me see you on that. That go know. It's a liar, girl. If me ever see you make a video on Blood Clot Candy new song, me I go say it's a liar, girl. Cause Candy would have to remix the song there just for you. Me got the shotty, got the glock, me got the shotty. Me got the shotty, now my pants shotty, now my pants shotty, now my waist shotty, now my face shotty, me got the drive by, me got the clinic, me got everything, now my pocket. Me got the bullet, boom, I chat up, play swim and a rocket. Me got the rocket, now my pants. Me got the bomb, now the pants.
You want to wear though? You have to play dear game and wear though. You can't play some dear game, my girl. Tell you something, I'm trying to go buy a ticket, bro.
Blood clot, dirty girl. No, can't this Rosalie too. And that me couldn't know you. I'm more sound about like you know come be Rosalie some type of way the dog. You see? You feel like me not what this dog? Why me I get restrict dog? Why me I get restrict? Hold on, me I restrict.
Can't you know some not had no girl for bring her down in my box? You had me in your box and have 5 different girl on top of me. And you have the girl in my class, you don't say nothing. You don't take them down nothing at all. You have them. Some of us come out of your box and clip my own alive. Kitty, you know more than me? You go like see more than blood clot me.
See you come blood clot talk about. I be a buy blood clot company because everybody here run up in a now. Everybody here run up in a lion. Cause we not clean the car them and say, I don't need to do that.
Bad mind.
Sit down and hold my
Bad mind. Who me run up in a? Somebody type in the comment who me run up in a.
No, me run up in a you because you have a video for me.
Listen, who me run up in a over here? Who me run up in a? Who me run up in a, Kitty?
Oh, varnish. Oh, varnish chat. Like varnish chat.
Who me run up in a? Talk who me run up in a?
I me blood clot tell us say my birthday. And my ear not even blood clot though. I mean if you come sit down with
Who me run up in a?
rank and I'm my birthday. So we
You sound like one little bad man, bitch. Here are. You're clean card now. Lion pantapalen. And you're not getting none. Go suck your mother.
Again and again.
You're not getting none, bitch.
Again and again.
You sound like a little bad man, bitch.
Again
Because
and
I
again.
hear you. Clean card. Lion pantap. And you're still not getting none.
Yeah.
Bitch.
Again.
You're not getting none.
Again and again.
And anyone see my people I'm glad say you gone, so me not forget nothing. The fuck? You ain't getting none. You ain't getting none. Card for clean. You ain't getting none. You ain't getting none. You ain't getting none. And that's just the truth. You ain't getting none, bitch. You ain't getting none. The fuck?
Suck your mother, Kitty.
Yeah, well, like some further, yo. You're not getting none. Come in, I want to wish list blood clad princess. You're not getting any. You sound like a little bad mind, bitch. You talk about clean card and this and that and lion pan top of lion. Who me running now? Who? Me sure never running on you. Who me running now? Who? I mean, I'm peer man over here. Who me running now? Eh? You see me running at the big ranker, them I send them requests and this and that. No wish list princess, I don't. Me not friendly like you. You friendly, not me.
You don't already have two.
You friendly, me not friendly.
You don't already have two big ranker, the biggest ranker over here on your team already. You need to worry nobody.
You friendly, me not friendly. Me I have two different smarty girl.
Tell me, from what day I just roll my own in a brother.
Okay, big up.
I just hold my blood clot.
Me a style her from what day? Who remember she from what day?
You get this and
Kitty. Kitty.
you get this and you have to stay this.
Shut up now, Kitty. Jabas, Jaden, and TJ. Ask them. I'm busy making money. I don't have time for you. So who a style you from what day? From what day me not see you? From what day ranking me there? Ranking, podium, on top of podium. Me not see you?
Yes, darling.
What you mean by from what day me a style you? What day from when?
That was.
What day from when, Kitty? Me don't even mention you. If you're looking at my blood clot by a writer, so 32 time number one. Me don't mention you, girl. When?
You're super.
From what day me a style you? Oh. What day I'm busy and make money and you say? Ask Jabas, Jaden and TJ. Nobody else.
Yes.
So if anybody for bring me down, are them.
Yes, I'm so bring it up.
Because them know things because I tell them.
Yeah, I'm so
I'm sure them receipt too.
Nah, bring it on, my love.
So I'm busy making it, Kitty. Me not have time for you. So when you come talk about from what day me a style you, me not know you, bitch. Me not see you. Me not see you. Me not see a Kitty, me not see a none at all. From what day I'm a busy mama. From the podium to the next podium, on top of podium, straight about 5 days straight from Friday to the other blood clad Friday. Me not see a girl.
Are you gonna do it again?
Me not see a none at all.
She mute me. She mute me.
Run up in a one.
Run up in a.
Yes, Anna, send it no, Anna. Anna, send it no.
Anna bless me over here, so I
Anna,
appreciate
send it
it.
no, Anna.
The hype is casting, but not everlasting. No,
But who are I? Jabas.
everybody have a chance over here, so everybody have them blood clot turn.
Chat. Oh my iPod.
That was see the girl I call her name.
Chat. Oh my iPod. No. Everybody a talk about my iPod. Me do not know. Me not deal with none of the same here. Me not cuss same here. Me not chat. What? Wanna get this mentality about hype? Which hype? Oh my iPod, wanna see change.
What is that
More
about?
than likely, me not really cuss like that or something. But me not hype. What kind of hype?
All this combo.
Oh, this star.
I don't want to know how the hype, where the hype come from.
Splinter, where?
Moderator, black bling.
Bro.
Black bling.
Oh, you,
Bro,
oh.
all me do a girl and show love to everybody. That's all me do.
I need to stop that.
That's all me do. Me ain't no friend, me ain't no chat. So me mostly go so boom, me will go over Cavii and send her one lion. What you was Shana birthday, me send her one. Me go over Jabas. Me go over Jaden. Where me go?
See there, you talk about thing that we do.
Which friend? Which people me a run up in a? Who you talking about?
Anna, better that no.
Who you talking about? Which friend?
Oh, get a style, Jordan.
Which friend you talking about, girl? You depend me a shit, me a clean cat and me a send out pic. I'ma send Candy one lion also. And also send her something for her birthday. Because Kitty have to understand, when God bless the certain
you should have Kitty one door.
where you
You
can.
should have Kitty one door, shame, and oh God, man. Me understand why Kitty feel. Me understand why Kitty feel. So she get
God
one too.
bless me, Kitty, so me just bless the people them.
Right, well, we are
With a
friends.
willing heart, mama.
Well,
Not even trying to look anything from nobody.
You get it?
Huh?
Well, we are
Anything we
friends.
send my
We should
friend
have Kitty one
them,
too,
willing
man.
heart. Me no want it back.
What?
You talk about clean card. Clean card. All of a sudden people are clean card. Wow.
You get it?
All of a sudden, oh, you hype, you this, you that, hype with what?
Eh?
Book your admin.
No, not Adimawaya, not Adimawaya.
Already. When I done to a big pussy girl over there, so now hear how argument go, but run up in it. Rather than hear, she don't hear how the argument going on, but she run up in it, and my sister gone over there to that.
Kitty, you can't class me and tell me some pussy big because the last time I check, your baby father left you for your next man. The last time I check, your baby father left you for your next man. So you can't class me some pussy
Why the
big.
fuck you not blame
If
the
you
people
hold
and
the
dirty
blood
shit
clot
house,
tight
bloody
and
dirty-
clean, your baby father
can't
would
cuss.
go to bottom. So you cannot class me and tell me say big pussy girl because at the end of the day, your baby father left you with your car, with your TikTok money buy, and run will leave you to our next man with the car. So you can't say me some pussy big darling. Cause me not go tell you say your pussy big because me no know nothing about you. The last time I check, your own baby father, your money what you use pan TikTok and make, buy a car and him take that car and giddy up, left you for your next man. So, what you mean? What you mean?
Suck it.
Me say what me say already. And Rabia come clear it. Your sister did came and clear it and said, no, I saw it go share rare cause me did I say, you sell out people for one bag. But when she come and she say whatever, I say, okay. And it done. See over there beat up yourself and go like somebody a beat you. Me say what me see already.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more of this and then we'll go over the cat woman and hear what she has said.
Already who a go beat me?
I cut off my blood clot life. And tell us I'm not play with blood clot destiny. You come go on, boy, you don't want a friend like your push.
So a destiny your problem. True me come past screen destiny. Girl, me don't talk to you long time cause I know what was my aim.
Suck your mama, girl. Hey, girl, around with me. You come go like your portion of bumbo clot, girl.
So you a portion of girl?
I'm my blood clot.
So you a portion of girl? How are this sort of?
Yeah, Jamaica, me a want blood clot money. I'm in a club me used to work in a Sockwood. Around with me. You come go like your blood clot portion of girl.
How will you get that strength, yeah?
Abide.
Everybody bring you down, I'ma pick up your argument.
You just buy 2 pieces of furniture and buy 2 pieces of things and put 2 little money in a 2 little account. No ramp with me over. Sockwood, no ramp with me. Blood clot, you go like your mama for blood clot people. You go like your bull up and up a conqueror.
Bad mind.
A long time you do house furniture.
Bad mind.
You do the blood clot thing.
Bad mind. Blocky.
Blood clot take care and gone. And what else?
Blocky. Wishlist princess. Blocky. Wishlist princess. Wishlist princess.
This is not the Kitty I know.
You're not me and you did have so.
Wishlist princess. Blocky. You don't know nothing about my pussy.
You never have nothing. Nothing me you never have.
Oh, me have strength for. Oh. But when the girl them bring down blood clot you up on this year, and you ball, I'ma pick up your argument them for my blood clot head. And so you come out, you, and me have strength for, and me have secret for Kitty. Oh, this sound personal. And me have strength for.
Maybe she have a bad day. Maybe she have a bad day.
And me have strength for Kitty. Listen to me now. I would even deal with you like how I really want to do with you.
Maybe she have a bad day. Maybe she's having a bad day.
And me have strength for.
This is
Maybe
not
she
the
have
Kitty
a-
I know.
Licky clitty, licky shitty. And me have strength for. Oh.
Maybe she have a bad
Oh,
day.
and me have strength for. Me never see have them strength here for nobody else on the blood clot internet. Eh?
Maybe she have a bad day.
And me have strength for.
Maybe she have a bad day.
Okay.
Maybe
You have secret for me, Kitty? Talk your secret.
I'm saying what's your real talk. And them say I'm a friend. One part time my friend to Kitty. If we are them deal with up on TikTok, I'm active like you know them type of girl there. You know them type of girl if you make people deal with you so. Low out mix up. I'm say share. You're too nice girl. Low out them thing there. Come we make some money, play some game. And them thing them say to you over for your life. You come talk about blood clot, avoid and me you have something. Go suck your mama girl. Yeah, somebody.
no stop it. What is?
This is not the Kitty I know.
Well, on, me can't suck my mother because I have a mother, Kitty. My mother love me, but phone no one left for no for dead. Remember no? Come no, man.
Oh God.
Yes, Kitty, me can't suck my mother and she love me and she accept me for who me is, but phone no one left for no for dead. It cause no trauma. Come now. Reason with me.
In peace.
We can't go down the road there, Kitty. You really want to go down the road there? For me fix it well and proper. Come now, man. Or you vent or your mama blood clot left for no for dead. Come now. Come now, Kitty. Come in, I really want to deal with you certain way, girl. Say me just make you just go on and do your thing. Come now, man. Me don't want nobody call my name. Leave me alone. Don't come talk about Shay. Don't say nothing to me. Come now, Kitty. Come now, man. I'ma tell the internet how you vent no blood clot. Your mama hate you. Come now, Kitty, man. Come and see you get personal like you have a serious problem and a serious vendetta. Come and deal with it like how your mama deal with blood clot. You may not ease your poor. Talk now. Let it out, Kitty. Me want you let it out so I can let out my own too. Let it out. Let it out. Can you go like say you have secret for blood clot me? Me know you from nowhere so good, girl. Let it out, man. You come talk about suck mother. Maybe mother for suck, but your one hate you left for no for dead. Come now, man.
I mean, I hear
The last time get a phone call from your mama. Today I call the other woman not the house, mommy. You forget?
No, I hear she. I mean, I hear.
The same African blood clot woman will keep the baby every day. I see you call mother because you don't have a mother figure. Don't come by me about blood clot here. Don't come by me about suck mother. You have mother figure stinking girl. Self fuck all it all that. You have mother figure. When you have to go upon somebody else and call blood clot mama, eh? You have mother blood clot figure stinking kitty. Big pussy kitty.
Me never.
Kitty, where your baby father fuck you and left you with the blood clot pint and run left you? Come now, man.
Okay, me
I'ma wrap up your big wall.
Oh, son, don't you?
Can you go like you know something about blood clot me?
You can't say the man gone with the car and what else?
And him left you with nothing.
Else?
Nothing at all.
Sodomite used to work at a Wells. What else?
You come and talk about suck hood and big pussy and suck mother. You suck more hood than me. Cause remember so now go. Remember pussy on the cell in a real life.
Mama that hate me. Okay then. Everybody know my story on TikTok. Say
Una body clean and come by me girl. Una cocky duster. You come and talk about suck your mother. Big pussy girl right now come there so kitty no start this so. You have trauma. Or seek a therapy. And regular your ball.
you said the man
From dusk till dawn, your mama eat you like poison.
come talk say a lie.
Left you for blood clot dead. Now come by me girl. Mama wrap up your big pussy. You come and talk about suck your mother. You saw me just allow you make you go on an event and you go on and it sound personal. I'm over here so me and laugh. Don't do that.
Okay.
Don't blood clot do that.
You know why you don't more? Come with something.
All of a sudden you don't want to hear nothing more. Because I'm just ready. So why all of a sudden you don't want to hear nothing more?
Come clear the ear and say tell Rosalie stop tell like on him because I know my baby father.
Eh? All of a sudden you don't want to hear nothing. You just over there go on the most way. Mama wrap up your big pussy.
Yeah.
girl with the holy part trauma wanna have. Go face blood clot God with that. I go take it up in the Lord in blood clot prayer. Once day I sit down on my blood clot phone and sit down and listen to you with your blood clot tears, dirty girl. Or your mama hate you.
You just start a whole money shade. I've been holding money and
you a little big idiot girl here. Kitty a 2 bank account me have. About 3 or 4. Kitty a idiot.
That's some bad mindish though, Kitty.
Kitty a idiot. Kitty, you sound like a fucking idiot. What you mean by just start? Hey, you behave, hey, don't behave like you don't know something about me. Me not put my life on the internet like Uno.
I've been there and done that. And I look
because you don't sell out to no all. Because you don't sell out to no all. So of course. Kitty, me still have fuck left in me, no, you don't have none, you have a spot.
I'm not a bossy type of people, I'm not a boss. Because them the thing they have vanity, we have to talk about life. Millionaire.
Are you over here talk about who did mention money and bank account? Who did mention anything about money?
You say, oh, you a boss?
I work hard to make your money, but when you feel lose.
Me don't know what them a talk about.
Me don't understand.
It sound like it a come from far.
No man, this a sound bad mindish man. Oh, you a boss, Shay. Oh, you a boss. Me don't understand.
Me don't know boss about what? What me boss about?
You didn't put on wig off thing. So, so, you a boss. Me don't understand, bro.
I just understand. When me ignorant, but we
bro, this is not sound right, bro. This is not sound right, bro.
Me not keep it here.
This is not sound right, bro.
Oh, me boss.
Say, oh, yeah,
when every day in the class, me and tell myself I gotta do me ear and take off the bonnet. Boss, oh. Wanna see me nails though? Boss, oh, Kitty.
Especially a daughter. Yeah, but that's why you know, say, come here, so come bully girl.
Nobody now bully you so good, girl, all ratatouille. Suckerella, fuckerella, stinky, dinky, winky, blood clot, Kitty.
People, as me say, the live here go very, very long. You know what I mean? Because we don't reach nowhere yet. And we the 1 hour already.
Mama, wrap up your big pussy. Nobody now boots you so good, girl. Nobody now blood clot bully you. Done said handicap looking blood clot whore.
We that talk about me.
Kitty, you're slow. You're slow.
Me sure them.
A regular you want conversation with me, I'm a blood clot. I've repeat 10 fucking times. Sometimes I fling the phone, get Queenie and say, you talk to Kitty. Kitty too blood clot slow. It's so good, girl. Go learn blood clot knowledge and sense.
Life. See the girl, you know. Babes, listen up, babes. That pass and gone, you know. In a eat you come, you know.
Just slow on a blood clot. Retarded whore. Remember when me stripper come over here and tell her something, me have to repeat it 20 million times and tell her what the woman mean.
Come in post, I got some suck up me pussy.
You fucking dunce.
You know how I
said the girl done, she done stuff till. I regulate it on the phone and I can't take it chatting, girl. Because everything me have to repeat you more than one time. I said, baby, talk to Kitty, come, I can't bother.
Alright.
You need to go up on Susan for go find your baby father and the blood clad car. Cause you're the only girl me see your baby father left you for your batty man. Your pussy no sweet, none at all. The butter more sweeter.
Yo, mute that boy there. Mute that batty boy there. Wanna mute that boy there?
The pussy no sweet, none at all. Cause the butter more sweeter. Butter more tighter, more of the most grip. While your one just leg on a blood clot like a leg of the bird.
What?
You come and go like say you know something about blood clot, me stinking girl. All self-fuck whore. You come here about una smaddy, una just start all money. Move on the blood clot can sell out one una have. Una ever want come class girl and tell girl this and that. Kitty the lifestyle where you live, me never live that. Una self-fuck like a dog. Man touch you up and fill up and put money on the blood clot clothes in a war. And I love come talk about girl blood clot. I remember say a pussy on yourself you living. money now on the panty, feel up on the pussy and pat on the body 2 times. Hey, Gwenna, girl. Gwenna. Gwenna. Come here, come go like your blood clot, smarty. Who bully you? Who did bully you?
Alright,
I only girl can't say me do the mother thing. Me soon come.
Make she talk. I'm a wrap up, Rani. Come, make she talk.
Kiki.
No, make she talk. Make she talk. Blower, make she talk. Shh, don't stand on the job, boss. Let me hear her.
Kiki, you gonna take me from the algorithm, you know, no girl. So, sure, she the only girl can't say she do the mother thing.
Right.
Cause she come talk about, oh, you're the only girl me say buy man car, man go run with me.
Right.
What time the man come here, Kiki, with the car?
Right.
So with the car, I don't want back the car. See God there. What time?
Come here, son, oh, Kitty. Me are the only girl can do the mother challenge. But me are the only girl can do the blood clot wishlist princess blood clot challenge. Anything with the pan sure and JR, not TikTok. Clot that one day. Clot that. Every minute, wishlist. Oh, promise one this, promise one that. Prom this, I'll get in a group so they mind your daughter. You're supposed to be the one for mind your blood clot pity them, not people from blood clot TikTok. So clot that tea there. You send me all wish list of blood clot promise. I'm never, when I buy her, the only thing I buy her must be some dribbler. You have Burberry dress, you have this, you have a blood clot thing. Go buy them big pussy girl. Nobody's supposed to man your blood clot pitney. And panty, the pan blood clot, which is they want to talk about kids. Let's go kids roll. Big pussy kitty, woman fuck you, left you with the blood clot pitney and forget about blood clot yo. Come make a reason. Wishlist princess, yes. Me not gonna do the mother challenge because see me how me see me a blood clot because me not prove nothing to the internet, big old girl. But let's do the blood clot challenge where you have a receipt that you buy something for your child. Come Kitty. Come do the receipt challenge where you buy something for your blood clot, pity them and not TikTok. Sure and JR have a daddy while promise don't have none. Cause promise is a wishlist blood clot princess. I'm glad me hear it for myself so nobody can come tell me say she talk about this and more hear for myself. Come now man. Wishlist princess, come now. You're the only woman I see on TikTok bill wishlist and a panty pan it, dribbler pan it. This them some of the cheap big old girl. You're supposed to buy them the fear pitney. Move! Bring the receipt come where you say me buy this. Without TikTok, bring it come. Panty! They pan the blood clot wish list. Panty! Dirty mama! Panty pa wish list. Come.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We'll watch some more of this and then we'll go over a cat woman. I remember we have Cavii and Meech and all different type of things with people, so we could get into this back and then we'll go over this. So
No man. Since I want to go about keep that's it. I say the comment section come talk about pitney now. I say let me hear for myself. Come on, fi hear you for myself. Nasty fuck out kitty. Why you suck cocky and pussy in a one? You only can't tell me some suck pussy, but you can't tell me some suck a cocky. Never! But you only can't tell me some suck pussy, but none never catch me yet. Nasty girl. Wanna box cocky out on the mouth, or box pussy out on the blood clot mouth. What you say? Why you say kitty? What box cocky out of your mouth and box pussy out tight? Because you're confused and don't know which one you really want blood clot stick with. Over yourself the cock, over yourself the pussy. Every minute what box cock out of your mouth, box pussy out tight. Cock, puss, cock, every minute. Nasty girl. Come tell TikTok for your dash of the blood clot. Hey girl, I'ma wrap up your big pussy. Come tell TikTok about the belly where your blood clot dash way. Come wrap up your blood clot. Come tell TikTok about the belly where you dash your kitty. And don't make my blood clot tell him myself. Me now want no secret and nothing no girl no more. You're too bright. It's gonna get personal now. Come tell TikTok about the belly where you dash way. Fuck it, Chololo. It should have blood clot kill you. Fuck it, Chololo. Come tell TikTok about the belly where your blood clot dash when you nearly kill your big pussy girl. Come tell them. Big stinking girl, come tell them about the belly when you nearly kill your whore. You stink no blood clot. Me now want nothing for no girl. Look on your belly blood clot rat. You're hungry like dog. It should have killed your blood clot. Belly so all of you dash your blood clot belly dirty girl. You fuck till you fuck with no sense. Because you know so the internet they got blood clot bring you down. Cause them know so you can't take care of promise properly. So how the fuck you go and manage your next one? Stinking girl, move! You know no secret for me dirty kitty. None. No secret you know for blood clot me. You can't clap no teeth on me. Fuck it, Chululu, old fuckarella. You fuck without a prize. The only thing me can tell them, me don't know who breed her. Me don't know if this is the baby father, me don't know which man. But she didn't have to dash it because she afraid of the blood clot bash pa uno never bring her down. Stink. You know have no secret for me. You come here telling people about my period. From when you see how me I laugh. My period. I'm a period. My belly bloated. I'm a period. You fucking lie. Come show the cis picture. Come show it. You got doctor say you have cis, come show it. Come blood clot, show it. You know no secret for me, stinking girl. You walk and dash belly like dog. Gonna fuck without cause. Gonna fuck without a cause. Gonna fuck without a blood clot cause. Nothing about your so good girl. Nothing about your stinky. Stinky winky, nothing about you. Bright. You come about blood clot, this and blood. Don't come by your son. Dash your belly blood clot, or. Dash your belly, or. Dash your belly, dassa. Yeah, go like say you have secret for blood clot, girl. You know no secret for me. None. You know no secret for me, stinking girl. So now come talk like you see. You can't bust nothing upon me. Done said, girl. Kitty, how you sleep at night? None of you can class me because you can't walk past no cemetery. Dup your back, stew with up on mama. Mommy, go suck your mother whore. Go take out your big pussy and go bury it.
What she say about answer call chat? What she say chat about answer call? Come on, what she say? What she say about answer call? So good. Lick up batty goggle bars, deep throat, go in a throat, girl. Don't play with me. You send me a number, I never send your mine. You send me a number, I never call you. Cause I know how on devious and stay up on TikTok. So good, girl. Never show you now. Hey, don't get my phone there. Cause that girl I get me corrupt my blood clot. Lick up batty girl, don't play with me. Oh, me sure blood clot something chat. Jesus Christ, me depend. Nearly I'm going to draw past my next phone. Pass the next two phone. A 4 phone me a bitch. Don't play with me. You come talk about blood clot, me I call you, you not answer. Girl, so good girl, you send me a number, I'm never dial it yet. See it here for my life. I swear for my two pity them life, because I know una wicked and una vibe and a blood clot. You send me a number, I never call you. I only call you on Instagram. See my two phone them here. And the two of them are blood clot. See my two phone them here. A 4 phone I have, bitch. See them here. 4 phone, I'm there for my blood clot 17 Pro Max. So good, girl. I'm open the phone and show you blood clot this. Oh, because people think I'm an idiot. So good. Let me show you. With Instagram, let me go show you that girl said me her number and I never call her. I never send her my number. Because I know them are wicked. I know them are viper. So you know what I do? Call her through Instagram. Call her through Instagram chat. Let me show you. She. Wait, I think me the screenshot because I block her for Instagram in the chat. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Wait, no chat. Shit. Oh, me go find it. Oh, me find things that I recently delete. Wait, no. I want to find things that me. Wait, no. Me go show no. No, me go show no. Cause me wrap up that goggle balls, girl, yeah. Oh, me wrap up that girl, yeah. Recycle bin, yeah. What should the name pan Instagram again, chat? Chat, what should the name pan Instagram again? What should the name again? Shay underscore. What should the name again? I don't remember what the so-called name pan Instagram again, you know. But this, you know, me go show no. My next phone dead, you know, that one you dead. Hold on, I'm gonna plug in the charger and show no blood clot this. Me go show no blood clot this. Say them a viper. Don't ramp with me so cocky, girl. Oh. So good. Me never give her my first son.
My people, as I said, I can't talk too much because I don't want to take up the space. I don't want to think. I can watch someone, then we're going to move on to the Cavii and Meech situation.
Son still there with me. Oh, I'm forgive her my first son. I'm still have my pitney. Share you don't have your child, you don't see none of them. Child, girl, you don't see none of your pitney them. Oh, I'm forgive her my first son. I'm have my pitney. You idiot, so good. Chat, me plug in my phone. Me want to come on. Me go try find it on this same way. Me want go in a bin. Chat. Oh me going now. If phone update, you know, say it give me fuck. Be a fuck creator, give me now. Okay, me just find it. Recently delete. Me just find it. Wait, chat. Wait. See, so good, girl. I see me find it. See it, your chat. So cocky, girl. Don't play with me. See, so good, girl. See, girl, send me her number. Me say, okay. See it, your chat. Me have a screenshot from January the 3rd. From January the blood clot term, me screenshot it. Girl, you have my number. And you said your blood clot one come give me. So cocky, girl. Me never call you. Cause me here to know. Cause me know now wicked. Me know now blood clot wicked. Move your blood clot. Move your blood clot, girl. Long time you send me a number, me no call you. From 20 blood clot 4. And me no look out of my blood clot, yeah, them go suck your mama. So me can run up in a you, girl. Me can run up in a you. Me can blood clot run up in a you, so good. Me can run up in a you. Yeah? You portion a girl for me. Anytime we play a dear game up on Instagram, I call you true, so good, cause me know now wicked and a 4 phone I have. A 4 phone I have, so cocky, girl. The phone yeah, are from blood clot 2020, from 2020, iPhone 12 Pro Max. This are from since this are 16 Pro Max and this are 13 Pro Max. I'm there for my blood clot 17 Pro Max. Go suck your mama, girl. Your portion. Oh, go suck your mother. I come with the receipt and talk facts. I be a fuckery chat. Oh, chat facts when you chat. Yeah, so chat facts. A facts me a blood clot chat. Oh, don't fuck with me. Oh, I'm gonna suck your mama. You go like you can come style, girl, but you don't want a friend, girl. Your portion, so good. Oh, I'm on the phone I turn on. I'm show you from when me have blood clot all money so good, girl. And furnitures. Cause if you can go, if you ever fuck yourself and go furniture, girl. Anything you go, me can go. Quirky pussy, girl. But me get notice. Me get notice. Me get notice. Yeah, idiot. Me get notice. Yeah, idiot. But me get notice. I be a false allegation on come on TikTok with. I be a blood clot lie story no come tell blood clot people. Be a lie story no tell pan people. Be a lie. When tell pan people. I facts me though. See blood clot. My something here. See it here. And me put in my blood clot 60 days notice. And then give me up on March it is 16. March it is 16. Go suck your mama. We have to wrap it up. Them want me done this. We have to wrap this up. See my new blood clot file for my new apartment. Go suck your mama, girl. But at the end of the day, my dash your belly. At the end of the day, you give her yours. At the end of the day, you cannot say, I did the mother thing. I did the mother thing. You can't say that. At the end of the day, you can't say, I did the mother thing. At the end of the day, you can't say, I did the mother thing. So me, if me want dash your blood clot belly, me supposed to dash it blood clot way. Cause from the womb to the tomb. From the womb to the tomb. From the womb to the tomb. It's supposed to. We not carry them, you have to come suffer. We not carry them, you have to come suffer like your one. Me done Nelly, blood clot. Everybody done, me done. Wrap it up. Later chat. Later, we done. We not come back with nothing tomorrow. We not come back with nothing tomorrow. So anything she want say, she say. Any file she want drop, she drop. Cause me now come address nothing. Well done. Later. Well done. Wrap it up. Can you not live nowhere? You not live nowhere, girl. You're not proud of which part you live. You're not proud of which part you live. Attention. She have a to the tomb a cookie pussy girl. She have a cook in a fear pussy. Cookie pussy she. Cookie pussy she. Find a better place to live. You have a cook in your pussy. You carry cook in your pussy. Cookie pussy girl. Cookie pussy girl. Anytime Queenie go there, she sneeze. Chat me done. Later me done. Me done chat to blood club me done. She go like she live somewhere. She don't live the blood club, so she can't proud of which part she live. She don't live nowhere chat. Anytime she live somewhere, and it makes sense, she go move around. She live in a one little butchery. A one little butchery she live in a. She don't live nowhere. She no make she come back on high pound and Lord Mount alone. And Lord Mount alone, in Lord Mount alone, she don't live nowhere. Chinese restaurant. When you go in a share apartment, you're supposed to speak Chinese. Ching chong, ching chong, I saw you for blood clot talk when you go in my share apartment. Talk Chinese to her. Talk Chinese to Shay. Anytime you go over share apartment, say a little butchery. Chinese blood clot restaurant. Later chat. Me done. Watch ya. I be a fabricated story girl come with. Me can't bother with she. Me can't bother with she. Yeah, me done. Later chat. Wrap it up. Follow the page, chat. Follow the page. Chat, beg on some followers. Follow the page. She no make no sense. Don't make your friend know that so good mouth. Don't make your friend know that so good mouth. I choose share all money now. I choose share all money. She go like she a portion. She a portion. She a lick up, but it come throat, deep throat, gaggle balls, slime bucket. Don't make your blood clot feel like she a somebody. Later. Follow the page, chat. Follow the page. Yeah, anything she wants. We don't care. Lord mouth alone. She can't find the people. She can't find the blood clot way. Chat. Chat. Big up on the nice clean self. My love you later. Me sit down here so I rank with you. And when for my birthday, me tell you, so me can't rank, you have a problem with that. And I come talk about Cavii alone help you rank. And this and that. And me tell you about Life Fest. Me and tell you about Las Vegas. And me tell you, girl, so good. Go suck your mama. Meech already come and explain. And this is why I say, Rabia, I don't want my sister going on a girl box. Come on, they fuck Rabia go over there so far. And I try for blood clot, tell her this and that and the third already. When you done, she's a big pussy girl over there, so now hear where argument go, but run up in it. Rabia, now hear, she don't hear where the argument going up, but she run up in it. And my sister gone over there, so go explain to her now. Rabia, you tell me, you don't need to explain to no big pussy girl. You know I'm a blood clot still. I am just not that type of person because I have a fucking daughter. And them blood clot digital footprint I don't want my daughter come see. That's why I don't do these things. But when you draw me out, you draw me the fuck out. You come go on. You come go on like say you have a blood clot secret for me. You have secret to Jaden and no secret for me. Cause remember you put him out. Say my body man with blood clot doctor. You know no secret for me, big pussy girl. Oh, so now come go on. Like say you have no secret for me. Oh. You have secret for them, can't run back a blood clot. You mean you have no secret for me. So good. No ramp with me. Kizzy, big up all my babes. I don't like them style, bro.
My people, you see that TikTok space, yeah, you have to know what you do, you know, you have to know how to stay relevant. You see, like the cat woman, you know, the cat woman have nothing where can grab the people them and entertain them certain way, and she don't really come from, you know what I mean, up the Instagram rankings and then go over where she she was known, you know, but not really popular like that. So she have to have a strategy how she stay relevant and get gifts and something. You know what I mean? So one of the things them have to link with the people them were at. You know what I mean? So when she link with the people them were at, eventually it will look like so she at. She go have gift on them something there also. So you can't really play with the people them wanna really have it like that and or just come up, you know what I mean? You have to know what you do. So let me know what you think.
Brother, me not like that because you go on like say, oh, me I sell out the girl both for bag and this and that, and that's why you don't want a friend from me and this and that. And when Bumbo Claw Destiny and did up on screen then you add me cut off my blood clot live. And tell us I'm not play with blood clot Destiny. You come go on, boy, you don't want a friend like your portion of girl. Share your portion of blood clot, girl. You don't just know about blood clot Brazilian. But that's even Brazilian. You don't just know about put a piece of blood clot wig. You don't just know about two little piece of skin. You don't just know about furniture. Go suck your mama, girl. Hey, girl, no ramp with me. You come go on like your portion of bumbo clot, girl. But that's why you avoid my blood clot. And from the day of Jamaica, me I hold blood clot money. And when a club me used to work in a Suckwood. No ramp with me. You come go like your blood clot portion of girl. But that's why you have to avoid. You just start buy 2 pieces of furniture and buy 2 pieces of things and put 2 little money in a 2 little account. No ramp with me over. So could no ramp with me. Blood clot, you go like your mama for blood clot people. You go like your bull up and dopey conqueror. Girl, no ramp with me. A long time you do house furniture, a long time you do car, a long time you do every blood clot thing. All you can say man blood clot take care and gone, and what else? And what else? You come talk about that. You're not, me and you did have something, but you never want me to tear it down. Me and did have something, big pussy girl. Me and did have something. Me and never have nothing. Nothing me and never have. More than me just make you stay over your part with the destiny, and that is it. Me and never have nothing. No, me no like when you see when me ignorant, I saw me ignorant, you know. Don't feel like me can't go there, so no. Don't feel like me can't stoop low to some big pussy girl, you know. Cause I can, you know. Who know me from school days know say this is me, you know. I change my blood clot change, you know. I change my blood clot change, you know. Cause me have a daughter. And me have a son. And my son blood clot up on the internet. That's why I don't really do this thing no more. But you see when you get me out, you get me the fuck out, bitch. Oh. A whole heap of time. Long time when she do baga. And me and she start to get 2 little gift on TikTok. When me and her and Donia them I play a their game match. And when Mr. Shay left you mix up and come, you're too pretty. You know much inbox people inbox me and say, Kitty, you're too nice for the funny for you, I behave so. And I say, you know, say a real talk. And them say, I'm a friend. One heap of time, my friend say, Kitty. If we are them deal with up on TikTok, I'm not even like, you're not them type of girl there. You're not them type of girl if you make people deal with you so. Low out mix up. And I say, Shay, you're too nice, girl. Low out them thing there. Come make some money, play some game. And them thing them say to you over for your life. You come talk about blood clot, avoid and me have something. Go suck your mama, girl.
So, anyway, as I said,
when you say, guys, no, me should have a problem with not him. And anybody retarded that this whole thing and Nicholas.
Because he even said, like, she kept calling my name, like, why you don't go on TikTok and make money too? However, y'all could even call Kitty. Kitty had followed me, right? I seen her pop up on my For You, and I went on her live, and she's like, Meech, why you don't come live? Her and Just Posh. If I'm lying, I'm flying. So with so many people telling me to come on I just got something. Y'all have to block these people because they're reporting the live. I just got something that I don't know what happened. Y'all can hear me? Add the comment just so I can make sure y'all hear me before I continue. Put back the comments, one of our moderators. No? Y'all can hear me? Okay, boom. That's all. Alright, that's all I needed to say. So then, he literally was just like, he gonna tell her the next day that the police gonna call her, whatever. So as I said, now everything unfolds. He said that he ends up telling her the truth, right? He ends up telling her the truth. So I looked at it as like, if you a woman and a man is saying like, you know what, I did link this girl. Because remember, as I said, he came to me. I never knew this man. It's not like I seen him in the street, I seen him on the road or nothing. Never knew this man from nowhere. He had somebody call me. So it was, as I said, it was, y'all want to say I'm gullible, naive, whatever. Anybody could do that, especially if that guy is cashing out and spending money. Like, who's not gonna, you feel me? Like, we just being real. So now when everything unfolded and I realized she has a bullying tactic, I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna take that route. One, she came on here. The first thing she had to do was she did her research because
Alright, my people, as I say, I don't talk much, but you are going. You see some man, them have to know what them are do, cause sometimes you have some good woman in your yard, you know, some nice woman, and you go cheat with the next woman, and that the woman that even like you neither, you know, she just want the hype where you have her, she want upfront with you, to mash up your relationship where you have with your woman, cause she don't like your woman and them way there. So, more time, we as man have to be careful. Hear some things where this girl I mentioned about what the man say, but blam them, Raja and all these things. So this girl, yeah, we're not going to hear her still. So make her watch some more people.
I think he told her that he was with her, he was only with me for 2 months, but I think eventually he told her he was actually with me for 6 months. You did your research as a woman, you realized, because there was another thing going around saying that I wanted to be her, and it's like, oh, if you want to be someone, you take their man. Clear as day, I never knew nothing about her. So that narrative, out the window, right? So thing is, if a guy comes to you, people go through things, right? I have friends that struggle with PCOS, so guess what? Your weight goes up and down. I have friends who've died from cancer. Your weight goes up and down. I don't talk about woman body because we all go through things. That is something that I advocate about. That is something that I always talked about on my page. That's why I said when I was fat, I always made sure I carried the confidence, and when I lost weight, I still had the same confidence. I didn't have to go out and do surgery to make myself feel better. I would have been crazy if I came on here and said, oh, a bitch did her body 10 times, I should shape like I'm blood clot, been up jackfruit, or spoiled jackfruit. I didn't do that. I could have did that. You doing lip fillers and all type of shit to make yourself feel good because you're an ugly person inside. You came for me for months. You had people teaming up, bullying, and then when you see me hanging out with Jada, you know what you did. Boom, let's talk about that, because I have a recording of that too. Now, the Jada story. Y'all was trying to come for my friend, and she ain't had nothing to do. I hung out with Jada, right? I hung out with Jada, and Jada was, me and Jada been cool for years, okay? So Jada searches my name, hence she said it on a live. She was looking to buy back from me, which she did. She was looking to buy back. She said she's seen a whole bunch of mix up, right? So I think she ends up coming on my live. We go on live with Junior. We just talking yada yada. She's like, Meech, I don't like seeing you in the type of shit. And I'm like, you know, you're right, whatever, brushed under the thing. The next day, which is why a lot of y'all, sometimes y'all have to read before y'all jump in, and sometimes that makes me know like a lot of y'all really need to go back to school, because Jada said there was a resurfaced video, not an old video, meaning the bloggers and the reporters and all that ended up twisting back up the video that was said about the other girl she was talking to, right? Jada never seen that old video. A lot of people didn't see that old video. Now, the resurfaced video, somebody basically chopped and screwed it and then reposted it back, so that video started circulating. So now I think a couple days passed, I see Jada go on and curse her. I called Jada, because then I seen somebody send me like, damn, she crying. I actually felt bad. Y'all can ask Jada. I actually felt bad for the girl. So I called Jada. I said, Jada, why are you doing that? I said, I don't need nobody to fight my battles, whatever. Before you know it, the man called me. He's like, you see, no, you have Jada out there, and Jada run down the place. I try to call the girl, if you apologize, because everybody I bring her down, whatever. I said, okay. I was just like, if that's what Jada said, that's her business. Like, everybody's grown. If they want to do whatever they want to do, feel however they feel, that's on them. So somebody, actually one of his friends, is like, Meech, me not believe that, call Jada. I said, I'm tired of the bullshit. Like, I can't be going back and forth every day with people. It's annoying. I said, you know what, Jada's my friend, let me call her. I'm gonna call Jada. Jada's like, Meech, me a war with blood clot ladies and bigger people. Why am I afraid for that the girl there? She's like, me at 18 and me a war with big people. Why am I afraid of that the girl there? She's like, the bitch is looking for me. So then they send me right there. They send me a thing. Hold on.
Sorry for involving in this foolishness, but me not know nobody else will know Jada. We can explain the situation to her properly. So here's an old video on TikTok with somebody in my chat when me run away with the name Jada. That video I'm show you, it's old, it's from about 3 weeks now. True, Jada did it, and she the style by Meech girl and already dip on the live. The people in my involved Jada now to make it look like say I have a problem with Jada. I've never said anything about Jada. Me not know why they must say me say nothing bad about her. I just want you to tell her like I never said anything. So I diss the people in want. I never say, I swear on my two picking them say nothing about her. Me not if I can send her the voice note or call her and say it to her, but me know say I alone know her, so me just tell her me send her the video. The video is an old video. Me in a curly wig all long now. I know she me talk to me and her not have anything. Me see her on the internet had done me, but me and her not have nothing. I never came on TikTok and said anything about her. I mean, not, yeah, me and her not have nothing. Me never come on TikTok but say nothing about her or nothing at all. So me not know where all of this come from. Me not know where she a talk about. Me know one screen record out where them kind of, where them switch and make it look like say me say something about her. And then post it now to make it look like I was talking to her.
So she knew the video resurfaced, which is what Jada beef was, because she was like, I think she said she ended up seeing that she liked the video. Mind you, she said that everything was old. She just said on this, she seen the resurfaced video. That was that beef. That beef didn't have nothing to do with me. But they was trying to make it seem like, oh, I'm ganging up to bully her. Jada problem was, she said that Cavii saw the video and she literally did not say nothing. She ended up liking the video when she know that it was a resurfed video. So if you knew it was resurfaced, all you have to say like, yo, you're gonna see something, it's not about you, this shit is stupid, yada yada yada. None of that happened. So she came on here crying, acting victim, like she didn't know what was going on. But literally, she just said it. She seen the resurfaced video and she know that's where it came from. She been saw it. She liked the video, all that. So y'all was coming for Jada when she knew what she was doing. So anyway, what else? What else am I missing? No, what are y'all confused about? She literally, the video was old, but it resurfaced. Do y'all know what resurfaced mean? And I think this is why a lot of y'all could not understand at that time, because y'all don't know. Resurface mean you could take something from the past and bring it back up to light now. And this is why a lot of the times y'all don't understand what be transpiring, because y'all reading is fundamental and understanding words very fundamental. It literally said from day one, resurface video. So anyways, y'all was coming for her. I never told Jada to think. As I said, they was saying that she was hunting down, and you could see she was calling people trying to get in contact with Jada. At the end of the day, the girl kept coming for me. She was trying to make everybody bully me. She was talking about, as I said, things about me that wasn't true. Allegedly, she called some girl, I was told she called Ariel or Tiffany, I don't know how y'all know her, and that's how she came on here saying I was fucked out and all type. First of all, we're grown. Everyone fuck the whole hour, that's just my business. Why are you caring about what my pum pum is doing? I never came on here and talked about you. So at the end of the day, if that's the tea that you could have came up with to make yourself feel better about yourself, that is on you. You walk around, you hate everybody. Get some love in your heart and you probably wouldn't be on here having to drink every.
Alright, to all of the man them in the comment section, Cavii or Meech, which one of them you prefer? Me prefer Cavii, my people, maybe because me don't know Meech like that, but me feel like say Cavii have the body and Cavii have the face and Cavii have the wallet. You see me I say? And Cavii love drink. And me love girl, we love drink, but not too much still. But let me know what you think. Make watch some more people.
Every day, your life away, trying to pretend to be somebody that you're not. You literally begged a man to decorate your room to look like mine, right? You begged him to write a note because you kept crying. When everything spilled out, his friends was gifting me on here. She was crying, calling, and they always calling me like, yo, we tired of this girl. Like every time we do something on here, she's crying to him saying, your friend them hit me because why them not send me no gift? That's all you care about. Get your money up. Stop getting your funny up and get your money up. As I said, I had never, no beef with you, girl. I was never your enemy. The man was your enemy. Your family was your enemy. Because had it not have been for them, I wouldn't even know. A lot of this shit couldn't even go on. Why would I want to be like somebody that's fucking for lions? Let's talk about it. You literally met the man. He sent you a few gifts. He flew you out here. They said he was taking pills to get pregnant fast. I don't know how true that is. I don't have kids. I don't know. Y'all would know as women, whatever the case may be. And you got pregnant right away. Y'all came here. You was living in an Airbnb by a bitch he was fucking. I don't know if you know that. However, he told me you was trying to make it seem like it was his house. He ain't got no house. Y'all be living under CPNs. Y'all ain't got shit in y'all name. And y'all be trying to brag and boast like you're somebody. Stop it. Cut the crap. We not here for none of that. Y'all was bullying me for months. I stayed here and I held it down. Not every day y'all still be on my name, talking about me, calling down people's phone and everything. You called people to get dirt on me. You be stalking me on Instagram because every time they call me saying that you be over there crying when you seen his friends sending me gifts. That's what TikTok is for. So now there's probably shit that I'm saying that is, as I said, y'all saying 10 story no one. Now the thing, right? The birthday match. Hence, which is why I said, hence why I said, this is TikTok, right? I've been on here. I've made my own relationships, friendships, whatever, with other people. Common Investigator tagged me in the flyer, right? And I said to him, I said, bro, if I come over here, y'all got cause problem. He's like, no man, me no think said nothing. I go, they get with me. I said, like, he's basically like, he's like, just come sure, give me our strength, show love. I said, you sure? He's like, yeah, if you wanna shoot in ghost mode. I said, I'm not going through all of that. I said, if I'm gonna come show love, I'm gonna come show love. He's like, all right, good. So I go over there, I show love. I be in matches with him, he's in a match. I'm good. This is what TikTok is for. So the reason now I end up shooting over there, one, because he asked me, and two, it's TikTok. You're supposed to shoot for the people that you fuck with, regardless who's on the other side. Not fighting for stuff like that. If I'm in a match with somebody and people from her side want to shoot against me, I don't give a fuck. It's fucking TikTok. I thought that was the whole idea of it. You're in a battle with people and you shooting on whoever you want, whichever side you want to help win. So when I did that, as I said, he asked me to come shoot for him. I wasn't going to tell him no because I'd be in matches with this man all the time. And he said he didn't think it was a big deal because everybody thought the situation was over. So now because they see me shooting over there, then the video she's like, yeah, big hole gal, da da da. And it was like, when your man big hole dates. What was this? Oh, this was July 5th. This was him feeding me sushi because we used to go out to fancy restaurants and go to nice places like Carbone and all type of shit. Oh, I guess my mom decided to turn off the comments. I guess y'all was going too crazy. Let me scroll down. His birthday. Okay, let me scroll this way. I don't want to post people's face. I just feel like that's just a little bit. I would hate if somebody want to tell a story and thing, don't post my face. So now me and him. Oh my gosh. Doing a cheers. September 20th at 10 p.m. Okay? So if you was born September 20th, how was I spending your birthday with you the day before, the day after, whatever. I also got voice notes. I'm gonna play those for y'all too, okay, after the fact. Anyway, so now is the birthday. So you're having a jolly old time and living my best life because I was getting tricked on. Really, that's what it boiled down to. And as I said, a lot of things was not clear because it was so easy for it was so easy. Oh my god, my friend just texted me. It was so easy. Thank you, love you, General. I see you. It was so easy for it to like make sense. As I said, the timeline, there was really no proof of no relationship happening. So I'm just like, okay, it's just like another, as I said, one of those little co-parenting things or whatever the case may be. And it was just easy for me to believe. Now, let me just make sure I wrote some shit down too. Okay, so now we at the end. He ends up hitting me and he's like, oh, he's going through something. I guess he fucked up money for some other guy or whatever the case may be, and he needed money to borrow. He'll pay me back in a week. I called his friend. I was just like, you know, such man asked me for money. There's like, he just called me too, but to be honest, I don't have it right now. My money is tied up. So they said, if you have a game, lend him the money. I said, okay, not a problem. So I lent it to him because at this point, me and this man been together for 6 months.
No boy. And if me not have TikTok, me go in a nursing home, go turn up. We don't much patient, me not need no boy. None. Put up on my kids, them, me not need none. No boy. Anyway, me come up back now. Me if I go do my body in September. Nick come up, him go like everything good. He's such a great pretender. Him come up and him go like everything good and alright, then you know, me say alright, me I say, once me come up, him there me yard, him there in Florida, because my mother live in Florida, you know. So I wasn't thinking nothing of it when he was in Florida all the time, and I didn't give a fuck, quite frankly. I was in Jamaica, I was on TikTok, I was doing what I do. Me now watch no man blood clot cocky. Me just don't want nobody playing on my face. Yeah? Alright, then I come up back, everything good. Me and boy grind, me Me boy pay for my body and send me God DR. Boy breed me, him entitled to pay for my body. Apparently look like a fear money makes you so blood clot eat me. Eat me both body and all of these things. Alright, when my God DR now, apparently when me gone, him run go back over Florida. Me I know if I fuck him go fuck, I don't know. Me see that them fly out whatever it is, I don't care. Alright, then cool. Alright, me come up back. She been a pest the man about me and leaving me a long time. The man been a say it. The man say it after me find out about everything. The man say Francis said the saga with me and the girl with him friend woman, she been have a problem with me. She slope on the man and tell the man say, remember say the man more boss and he ate way. Cause him say one chat say, oh goody warm, no blood clot. Face we are put upon. Not my business, I for them business. Anyways, when me come back, apparently me there in the house. That's why sometimes me go like me the man good and me say love you. When me say love you in the house, and that's everything broke out. And that's everything all hell broke loose. She post a picture of them and delete them back. And then they send them to Urban. And that's how everything bust out. That's how everything bust out. That's how everything bust out. Cause you want me know about your man now. You want me know about your man now. Alright, everything bust out and good. You mentioned people say me not like them. So if me not like blood clot people, look how much of them not like blood clot me. Look how much of them not like me. So if me not like them, true they never come on TikTok and say they not like me. Why the fuck me have to like them? Look how much people they not like. Look how much people no favorite they not like. So what if me not like them? Nothing wrong. Me and everybody cup of tea. Them not gonna be my cup of tea neither. Me not for them cup of tea either. Look how much are we over here on the app 8 to one another. What, me gonna be first? I'm not eat nobody more than me not care for them. Then you say, well, my man and friend eat me. So what? So what? Who gives a fuck about his friends? You give a fuck about his friends because you used to fuck one of them. And one of them pity used to call your auntie and your fucking daddy. You go there and you laugh with the woman and you fuck her daddy. I told me no one call people name. That's why I don't want to do that. Because unlike you, I'm not going to involve people in a year and Nick shit. Because it's you and Nick in the shit. And not everybody.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. You know what I mean? Because a whole heap of things are going on here, some more people. Yeah. As I said, I can't talk too much. This may reach 2 hour mark already, but hey, we're gonna just give them everything and done. So let me know what you think, we can watch some more.
Else in it. Are you and the man in it? I wanna make on the bed so on a line at it. Stop involve people in on the thing. Stop eat me. Me not have a problem with your girl. Are you fuck my man and not the other way around? You fuck the man friend and then pass him. You pass your hand to the idiot. The idiot is my man. Because only person him have strength for apparently it's me. Him baby mother. The only person who really give a fuck about him, let's be honest. Because everybody else just use you. She probably give a fuck about you too. Apparently because she lent you 25K. A little bit more than me. A little bit more than me. She probably give a fuck more than you, but more than me. Because I ain't got it to give nobody no, not even $2. I ain't got it. I have 2 kids. Right? So, you don't want to talk about friend, we hear me this, we hear me that, we hear me. Girl, when you talk about me, talk about me. We talk about me, stop talking about people that involve people. Stop paint me out for be the bad guy. And Nick are the bad guy. And Nick fuck pan me with you and hide me from you according to you. When me, according to you, and you make me daddy and Nick chop you. Silly rabbit, tricks are for kids. Nick decorate room for me. I don't want to argue about them something, girl. Because I don't have time. Nick decorate room for you. My last birthday, Nick decorate room for me before you. And he did it again this year. The reason why you was upset on my birthday was because you saw the gift where Nick give me with, you think it was your money. No, you say, oh, him owe me. Because I remember saying borrow the money from September, you know, guys. So she said, oh, Nick really give you money? And him owe me such and such thousand because then time the Nick only gave her $7,000. And when the whole thing Nick never want to reach, yes, so she come bust up when him chat about me. So him did half a year during the process after my birthday. That's when me know about the money. Me no kill this girl, guys. Me never know about no blood clot money. Come and agree with no girl, no man. As bad as things be, as much as I don't like her, Me not agree with man a take girl money. Me not agree with man a take girl money and don't want them. Me not like they sitting there. They say they are wickedness. But blessing we come for me and me pity. Me don't agree with them carelessness there. So much money. How you have to take so much money and the whole of your friend they know say you not have dollar to pay back. I chop everybody chop you. The whole of them know say Nick do not have it to pay you back. The most him can do is give you 2 grand like a chum change. They know say you not have it figure back next week. A liar tell. Because even the one, Bali, you call Bali and ask him if you left him with the money. And him say yes. And that's why you and him fall out. Come here go mix up all on the bumbo clot now. Yeah. So stop making it look like say you get back the money, girl. And when you start and say when I mention about my mother and my father, and that's when Nick give you the money, give the other money. Him they give you 7 grand and a 20 grand in borrow from you. The other 5 grand you buy it in a tickets. Time love take send me this and me send you back. You been buy the ticket for go to Vegas and buy film ticket to a whole heap of ticket to buy. So I don't know why you come front and lie. I mean, you will buy your things and we send a rose. But when you talk to him buy he did not buy you. You have to come and show when he buy them. Because him don't have it. Him don't have it. So stop going like him did have it. And you know him never have it. Him friend them tell because all of them chat him. Make on all on the move on a dirty blood clot. Big up. Me can't even call some of the people I'm rate them because I like crowd and I don't want nobody come mix up in this. Anyone at the man, such man friend I'm rate big up on a bumbo clot self. But someone of a move on a dirty blood clot. You're a pastor and donkey come go like you're a blood clot somebody. I true him an idiot make them honor up to him. Cause nobody no want you. If one of them fuck you and hide you. Them not par with you. Thank you. Them not par with you. Them not even tell us that them fuck you. Them a hide you. Talk about how much of the man friend them you fuck. You talk about and Nick trick on niggas that trick on me. You just meet man and your blood clot fly out man can man a curaco. Pay for ticket, my baby. No, I don't do Rosa Parks. Hold on guys, I told me can blood clot find the things them you know. Oh my baby know that I don't do Rosa Parks things. I don't do Rosa Park. I don't do Rosa Park. You put man first class, get them a curaco, move them in your blood clot house. Cause man done pan blood clot you. That's why I tell yourself, stop make it about blood clot me. Make it about the fucking thieving man or thief your money. It's not about me. Me never thief your man, me never fuck your man, and me never thief your money, girl. When you come make man and my people them chop you cause you're idiot. And you're gullible. And that you do with rich people. Cause you come and put up this rich persona, so you're rich. You show my father, you can't show the man father, you can't show the man mother. You can't show my father. And what you want me to cry? What you want me to do, cry? Vex with daddy? I man me vex with because I man I respect my people and for bring them round blood clot. No, it's not like you. You say me cheap? Well, at least me enough we one friend man well I one friend enough fuck out me all. At least me not have to pay a man for fuck me. I'll be a cheap bitch any day. More than for pay a man for fuck me. I'll be a cheap bitch. You say me drink, okay, so what? If me there with a bumbo or a wicked man like Nick, me no must blood clot drink. If me there with a wicked blood clot house enemy like blood clot, Nick can breed for him. And realize that me fuck up, me no must drink. With the blood clot want me to go buy a pound of rope and hang. Or drink bitchin.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me watch some more, my people. And I think me have more things to share with you, you know. Let me see, you know, I mean, watch this done and see what go on for anything else.
You must blood clot drink. If me there with a blood clot house enemy like blood clot Nick will hate me and make him whole and friend them things to me are worse. Me no must hate him for disgrace me every day upon TikTok. Everybody will know me never do no bumbo clot not like this yet. From the know me on TikTok. Never did no weird ass shit like this. I feel I come over here and I clear up no bumbo clot fuckery. This shit is so fucking stupid. Me not know what the fuck me there I do. This shit is so dumb. But me hear when people tell lie upon me. You come about me know your address. So the fuck me forget the address from, girl? More than your big pussy friend them send me a number. You know say girl them you fuck them friend them. Girl them carry around on a friend them and you fuck. And your friend they send me a blood clot number and tell me about the friend in my crew where you fuck. Yeah, come talk about nurse. And you know some people, some of your friends they not like you. And they say they cut you off because you're pussy on a principle. At least me fuck for something. But you grown people and smile on their face and fuck them man behind them back. Me not talk about my man. And then you come talk about nurse. Cause stinking girl. Like man tell her that and play by snout and the man say nothing like that. Girls, stop make it about me. And as I've told them me done with blood clot you too. And the man can go suck out on the mama. Brawling. Fuck out of here. Suck out on the mama to me tired of bumbo clot and the disgrace on the cast for my bumbo clot me and me picnic them too. Cause suck out on the mama. Me no want the boy. I don't need to come get him out of the blood clot place too. And I hope by the time he gone him left all Emmy with Jaden and blood clot get the fuck out. Cause when I say, oh, him can't put me, tell me to put my bumbo clot out. When I love talk, say him could have put me out and me. Say me move out of that blood clot and show when I say, me can't do that myself. In a weeks, I could do that shit myself. I don't need no fucking nigga. And Nick can't put me out and no. Cause Nick no value nothing himself. And me add value to my life. Man no add value to my blood clot life. Nick no add no value to my life. The only value add a blood clot them the fuck do no. When I come, cause when I love come run with a narrative, and put out him and them people them. When I go suck out to no mama. Man can't put out me. The fuck? Man can't put me out but not Nick. He can't put me out of nowhere cause I'm not own nowhere himself. Me have name in a fire, Nick now a blood clot name in a fire. Time fuck for come put me out. Cause you keep secret for man. I say you know all when man deal with no like dog shit and nose not and left you and not left him woman. When still a pick up the blood clot man. Cause when a man take man gugu, man nose not and blood clot bugu go suck your mother girl. I want to see if you spit in your face like how Ziggy spit in a slime blood clot face on TikTok. Go suck out your mother girl. Fuck out of here. Yeah, well, I'm a blood clot, Fred. I want to see a Jamaica to kick you in your pussy. Suck your mama, girl. And none of your man, because you keep on call up my bumbo clot name. I know one of the Jamaica because step in your blood clot pussy. I keep this one up on blood clot TikTok. Go suck out your mother. Big pussy. And stop walk and fuck. And begs when you fuck out. And not nobody. Yeah, you like a big blood clot stinking man when you move in a house. Like a 25-year-old, you go move in one day, yeah. Because you can't get for me big blood clot either if you come pay your rent. Oh, yeah, they think me they go put him out if you come pay your rent. I want to pay mines. Him need for pay mines. And I'll be surprised if you don't see him still come over here, so. Because me need my bills them for blood clot pay. And I don't know to stop my blood clot show. I'm not care where them want to talk say. Because when I style them, I go style up back your dirty blood clot. Oh. You play with your mother, not blood clot me. None of them have to like me. Because suck out on the mama. Guys, put on back comments to me, please. Yeah, talk about how no one do and when me I go do. When me I step more and step in your pussy stinking girl. Yeah, I can't talk about drink rum. No, drink rum if you there with this a big bumbo clot wicked man. Me no must drink rum if you there with this a wicked blood clot man who hate me. I'm not even like him blood clot self. No one a man like a phone light and salvation. Man a my light and blood clot salvation. Move your dirty blood clot to 25k spend for me and I get back no more. Go suck out your mother. Him owe you about 10 grand, go suck out your mother and I get more. Me sorry you never borrow 50 or 100. I come over here come send my friend them to bumbo clot lion and the things them. Go suck out your mother girl. Move your dirty blood clot. Go suck out your mother. Let do an angle. I involve people. Angle your one war and stop involve me in your blood clot man problem them. Angle Nick. In blood clot never choose you. Angle him. Come in and know the fuck you kill up yourself over blood clot Nick like man don't pay you. Man don't pay your blood clot. You come angle me over my baby father. Move your dirty blood clot. You think me come up with every father, move your dirty blood clot here and I wouldn't mind him come out by the time I reach at the blood clot house. I wouldn't mind when me reach there, him come out. Guys, thank you. I wouldn't mind him gone. I swear upon me too pretty them. Me tired of you. You nah get back no more. Go suck out your mom. I go use to pay my bills. I have bills to blood clot pay. Boy, y'all letting people man blood clot 25 grand. That's too blood clot lie. We're gonna drive go over the house now. Me and Uno. Go suck out your mother girl. No, me I go come back when me reach over. Cause suck out your mother, girl. What's the things I'm responsible blood clot? When you come about man, if you address man and the money where your blood clot lend man, you come about me and you come with receipt. With man a talk on screen record. Him with him like a big pussy bumble. Me say me coulda kick all him in him blood clot. Woulda just beat up him blood clot when me go in. Cause I'm there with a man like him, me feel, cause make me feel wear blood clot underpants. Me feel like kick up him bumble clot. Cause him only have strength for me to beat me. Him not no strength for uno. Him can't angle you. Me say long time saying can't angle you. Cause him chat you with me. Me know that long time saying chat you with me. But when my chat you should have tell us say oh him beat up my bumble clot. And he should have tell her how him do your ex too. Make you know say my blood clot wicked. Oh, him should have tell you how him do your ex. Him ex. Oh, so him come there, come go like my portion of man. He him pay blood clot bills and so what? Him not supposed to pay and I live there. Him not do me no blood clot favor, him live there. Him supposed to pay the bills. Him and his daughter live there. I mean, no walk, I mean, no style man like this, guys, but when I have a man with a bumbo clot wicked. When I have a man with a bumbo clot wicked, guys, thank you. What the fuck me for do? And imagine a wicked pussy hole like this is my baby father. Imagine a real big pussy hole like this is my baby father. I don't care what she wants to say about body. I don't have no body argument with her. I don't have no body argument with no girl. I don't say what you look like already. Work with that. Guys, thank you so much. God bless you. I don't tell you what you look like already. Work with that. I know me make you have to take up 25-year-old and mind them. It's not me, I know my fault. I know me make you take up a blood clot 330-pound man and mind them. We have their woman and them pitney, young pitney live with. When me come from foreign, you cannot blood clot talk to the man in the house. You know say a blood clot through me attack. You go suck out your man, they're too blood clot like wicked. You're too lie and wicked. I want thing about me no kept no day in my blood clot rap. I me no like some of them girls can go suck out them mama, me no like them so what? You talk about man, baby mother, them, me not like how much. Look how much of my blood clot gift that them have money. Look how much blood clot friend I have over pan shell, pan blood clot. Pan the girl them, pan the apple, me and them a friend look good and things are going for blood clot them. So me not like certain girl is a problem. When I go suck out to the mama, me not like you know what the big deal. If me not like someone, you know what's the big problem? Cause I'm a big pan energy, I feel so no blood clot like.
Well, people, wanna tell me what I think in the comment section, and me always I say the scene, say the females them, the type of man with them want, them have to get born from them type of man there. You see me, cause them man there, a whole heap of girl want them. The man them when I go give them no bun, them no want that the man they cause that the man they not really appealing like that. And vice versa, the man them where the man them where want some type of woman. You know what I mean? We're out there, we're different man are gonna knock same way. Where them no want to get no bun from, them always are gonna get bun from them because of the type of woman that they are. Them are hot woman them out there, man are gonna look them are gonna slip up one and a few times. You know what I mean? But the woman them when I go give them no bun, them no want them the woman them.
I'm not wrong to say me like on a first. So what's the big deal? I mean, I go be first guy. I no want, I no like nobody. I no want them around me picnic argument done. I no want them in my space. Is that so wrong to not want people in my kid's space? For you as a big blood clot, big back bumblehole, go sit down and chat me with your big pussy girl. Where your friend them fuck. Nose knot. Handkerchief. In a man pocket. Where them pass give them friend. Wipe your face. Move your dirty blood clot. Them can't say me fuck but me no fuck out. And a man friend no fuck me. Me and a groupie. Move your groupie blood clot. You have money and still a groupie. Move your dirty blood clot, girl. Your mama hate you. But you say me a junk and you know your mama a junk and New York. And the man tell me say your mama a junk. Remember say man a wicked. The man tell me what they say your mama a junk. Your man tell me say your mama a junk. The man tell me say your mama is a blood clot junk. And you say you me have house at Atlanta. And you know say your mama man there in a bumbo clot house. And the man tell me. The man tell me say him not like your bumbo clot. Cause when him a borrow your money, you have to ask him friend. You have to ask your friend them first. Them which is the man friend. So basically she have to call the man them near. She have to say to the man say, Bali, you think I should lend Nick this? Him not fuck you, so we are asking for. Through the friend them a fuck you have to ask the friend them first. Huh? How that look? You say I hear man, where you ask the man friend him for? You know run the blood clot money, give the man making come buy something to me and blood clot, Emmy. Yeah, come talk about where you pick out close to Emmy. Move your dirty blood clot. You say Emmy hot girl, Emmy a star from birth. You have to pick out close to the star. But suck your mother girl. My father never get a blood clot ask you put on the road for you. I'm sorry. Him there tell me say my father no. My father talk to everybody. If Nick came around the blood clot people, them where the fuck you want him do? Him talk around the whole like Nick came around the whole like friend them where the fuck you want him do? You know nobody in Atlanta. You know most blood clot. Kiki. Get off it blood clot pea soup fry you. And pussy will like you when she saying can chop. You know must chop you. Or ethnic chop you. I remember you did pay for the hotel them, that's why you want back the money. Cause at 20 grand in bar fry, you're not 25. So the fuck you want him for do? You not for do him for bumbo clot though. Go suck your mother girl. You think you can cause no problem in my family life? Go move your dirty blood clot. All I go on in this side, the dirty thinking man, me come would I never bring him parents them around, nothing like this. And the dirty stinking man me hate. Come would I never bring him parents them but run nothing like this. Nothing. I would have never do it. A dry eye. And you sick my stomach. And you licky no bumbo clot. And thief. But you don't prepare back. No give no more. Not $1 more. Go suck your mother girl. Not $1 more. But I cheap. Me no must cheap, you go let my blood clot have it. You go like say, Emmanuel tell me say you have a blood clot second. The second is the money person and your blood clot is the face of the brand. Go suck out your mother. Me think a thief your thief, but I never thief your thief. And your friend are the face of the brand and you is the blood clot runner. And you run and go find the deals them because I used to work at Louis Vuitton. And the friend money you borrow give the man blood clot tell me move your dirty blood clot girl. I never have no time to air out your business because that not nothing to do with blood clot me. Because I spend any amount of money and shit out here and go do body. Move your dirty blood clot. Boy, bad mind man friend. Bad mind bumbo clot. Just suck your mother girl. Guys, thank you. You go like a year money. Rich bitch up the blood clot here. Look cheap. Me have to look cheap because my body do and look good. You have to wear their clothes because your blood clot shape like SpongeBob. Anytime you picture they look good, I want to edit it. You can't go suck. No blood clot. You have some girl when body no do, well look good no blood clot. But you love talk about body and you don't have a chick or a child look like you have 10 pitney. Move your long breast bumbo hole. Move your bumbo clot. You don't have a chick or a blood clot child. You come tired about girl body bend up like breadfruit. Look at your blood clot mouth where you twist up like old boot. And you have the audacity to talk about me. I feel like bitch me I gonna do everything. Plastic till the blood clot they may die. And the move mind if I could have give the man one next bumbo clot 50 grand. I'm going to do my headline because he dry no blood clot. See there? You want do. You bald. Me want blood clots. So want some blood. Me want stitching some ear in it. Me would mind. You would have let him some more money. Me go stitching some ear in my blood clot outside. Go suck your mother stinking girl. Move your dirty blood clot. Yeah, you look a freak at the blood clot. Yeah, the man match. You don't move on the dirty blood clot. Come on for this. Move your dirty blood clot, suck good girl. Move your little gaggle bars, bumbo clot. I'll body plate a lick out here. Your blood clot, move on. You know, say by all the man, blood clot, friend, Kenneth Bracefine birthday. Kenneth Base set up by blood clot, and the man left you wealthy and you're not even wealthy because your blood clot, second money I use. Move your dirty blood clot. You go like you have penny spend, because you're not supposed to wealthy. Where the blood clot you have, you don't even have a blood clot shit. But man they here for 2 months. He's supposed to be here me ain't fuck him. In this if you fuck me, no cause me ain't fuck him. From realize him did fuck me did stop fucking. My pussy did lock, dry up, lock. Me ain't fuck. You did have to fuck the man because me ain't fuck the man. You're supposed to come fuck him right now for me because he in the house now get no pussies. Me don't know if I get pussy but him now get mines. So you need to come suck him wood. Would mind you come blood clot fuck him for me. Me not have to do it. I talk about big good, so what wrong with big good? Yeah, but like we don't want big good for stitch up a bumbo clot. That's what candidate say chat. Bust it up and stitch it up. The fuck? Move on a dirty blood clot. Move on a dirty blood clot. Already only come bomb my blood clot pussy tongue like I did one wally and suck you out like blood clot ramens. Go suck your mother big pussy girl. Go suck your mother girl. Every day you come home, before you come home, the man will buy you 25 blood clot, $1,000 and spending money go do my body. Move your dirty blood clot, mash mouth, bumble wall. When you talk a be a sodium mouth, so it can be a coming in your throat. Move your dirty blood clot. Him did have to fuck for me, because I not suck you would and do the things them. Me not fuck. Me not the house all long and fuck. And it's a kill my bumble clot. And me a wall out, because me not fuck the boy. Oh, so I'm supposed to fuck for me. Oh. Him just need to fuck past somebody who could have hold them blood clot mouth. Oh. And when me a fuck girl man, me know when to shut up. And me know when to him. And when them a call them woman, me know to shut the fuck up. But you on the other hand, you're delusional, no bumbo clot. But you don't know about me and you watch out the whole of me TikTok. Go suck your mother big pussy girl. Stink like shit. Come out, goggle bars, bumbo wall. Lady friends.
I take care.
Yeah.
Easy. Oh my god, my friend just texted me. It was so easy. Thank you, love you, General. I see you. It was so easy for it to like make sense. As I said, the timeline, there was really no proof of no relationship happening. So I'm just like, okay, it's just like another, as I said, one of those little co-parenting things or whatever the case may be. And it was just easy for me to believe. Now, let me just make sure I wrote some shit down too. Okay, so now we at the end. He ends up hitting me and he's like, oh, he's going through something. I guess he fucked up money for some other guy or whatever the case may be, and he needed money to borrow. He'll pay me back in a week. I called his friend. I was just like, you know, such man asked me for money. There's like, he just called me too, but to be honest, I don't have it right now. My money is tied up. So they said, if you ask for game, lend him the money. I said, okay, not a problem. So I lent it to him because at this point, me and this man been together for 6 months. There's still messages I can show y'all. I don't want to have to search through everything to show everything, but literally this man literally made it clear that I was in a relationship. He told me when he met me, he was like, he was going to do everything in his power, that I'd even need to talk to another guy, which is why he was so quick to send me money. He gift me. We was going shopping almost every week. So when I was even coming out here saying like crazy how I'm still popping off tags from shit a nigga bought me, I was literally not lying. He was buying me Loewe jeans, Miu Miu shirts, and if y'all know anything about those brands, that's not, I don't like nothing cheap anyway, so we could talk about it. So you're buying me.
Hey, my people, me not lie, still, you know, Biggs are general, you know. Biggs buy this girl, yeah, some things will maybe not cost the amount of money we borrow from her, but, you know what I mean, he buy a lot of things, give her, it seems, well, yeah, maybe expensive, but, you know what I mean, he might watch him money where he must spend, and then he just borrow big money from her, and don't give her back. Yo, Biggs and general still, you know, Cavii, you know, for mad, at this, because Biggs have this girl here as a lick, you know what I mean? But we don't want to think with people.
$2,000-$3,000 pieces per item. Fragrances, like, literally, it was not, I don't know. Clearly, if a nigga tricking, he tricking. He ain't gonna tell you no. I never heard no. Since I've been with that man, I did not hear no. As I said, I was with him for 6 months. So, she ends up popping up on my FYP one day. And coincidentally, the day she popped up is the day that I think she must have called him or something. So I texted him and said, you know, and I know Dolly hosts with nobody, right? He's like, babe, I know. I said, so why you over there engaging or whatever? He like, no, nothing, Augusta. Basically, he had told me that he was trying to get out of the situation. Like, he wanted to get his own place and stuff because shit just was not, there was no fixing the relationship. And he was just like, she had a tendency of always taking the baby away when shit would hit the fan, right? Which is why he was just like, fuck it, because I think she had left to Jamaica and she took the baby. So even up to whatever, when I seen that, I said, nigga, don't play with me, because you're not about to sit here playing with me and my feelings when you making it seem like one thing when you know it's something else. So if you go on my Instagram page, well, I post a lot on there, so you're not gonna see. I always posted him. I'll either post a nigga hand, finger, something to show that I have a man. You get what I'm saying? I never post no guy face, because at the end of the day, I have a big platform and people are just weird, and you get what I'm saying? So I don't post face, but I don't never not let it be known that I don't have somebody. So I end up doing that or whatever. And so when I realized, like, nigga, you playing two sides, like, you not about to play me. I posted pictures of us on my page. So that's when I realized, I was like, fuck this. Like, you're not about to say, I was like, you want to save your family? Go save your family. I don't got nothing to do with this. But you're not about to sit here playing with my emotions, think I'm going to let shit rock. And I'm not into none of that, because you're not about to be with me and be with somebody else. You told me the situation was one thing, but to what I'm seeing, it looked like something else. So, posted the pictures, I deleted it. I posted them probably like a week or so before I think Urban was the first person to think, because she said somebody must have sent it in to her. So she was the first person to post that in there or whatever. So in between that, okay, it's about to get juicy. In between that, one time he was over here and somebody sent me a video. She was beefing with somebody on the internet, and I was like, what's going on? Because now I'm here, and I think his name was getting called up or some shit. So I'm like, what's going on? So he just like, you know, like, I don't really want to talk about it because shit about to get real, da-da-da. I was told they was about to unalive Roger because of her. And I was like, why are you going to do that when you be sending me here telling me that your baby mom is problematic and everyone else is saying she's a problematic person based off the comments? So every time she beef with somebody, you're going to try to unalive them? Like, how does that correlate? And they was just like, he's like, you know what, you're right, that makes sense. Left that situation alone. Then she was beefing with another girl, I think. I don't remember what that, but the story is she was beefing with that girl, and it was what happened was, it was basically she put something in her close friends, and she thought I don't want to call her by name. She thought this girl had reported it back to him, but it actually wasn't that girl. So she was the girl she was beefing with last summer. She was beefing with the girl for no reason, because he even told me that that girl wasn't the one to tell him. So it's like, she just be doing weird shit. That girl wasn't the one to tell him whatever she posted in her close friends. And that girl wasn't the one to tell him. So that girl actually was hurt, because I think they was actually cool, and she was the one who didn't say it, and then she ended up blasting the girl who actually was actually very innocent in the long run. So there just was a lot of shit happening in the summer that he was just literally over, right? So yeah, 10 Tori and I won, sorry. So that was that. I just had to throw that out there just so y'all can see the wickedness that be happening, okay? So anyway, so the thing with the whole beef with Roger, the beef with the other girl, that other girl, she got into it when it ain't have shit to do with her, and then they said they wanted to unalive Roger over her, because whatever the situation is, he was calling up too much name and whatever the case may be. So just so y'all can see the type of people, y'all, okay? So anyway, the reason why I'm going to that, so I did lend him the money, right? He's paying me back majority of it. So the fact that that information has leaked, that has to be somebody from his side of people. You get what I'm saying? So anyway, now we on one side of, hold on guys, hello? No, I am, okay. So anyway, hold on guys. So anyway, so as I said before, sorry guys, I just don't want to forget little bits and pieces. So I ended up lending him the money. This was back in August. As I said, he told me that people was after him, so he had to get his way out, whatever he did with the money.
People, what it sound like? This no sound like Biggs use the Tinder. Where you need Tinder swindler? I saw him name where did they grow up on Tinder and I date the woman, them buy them expensive stuff, you know what I mean, then him borrow some money from them. It look like say that Biggs are go out with, you know, with people, cause the man say people did have time. You see me, I say it look like I see him style Biggs use for this again at the blood clot. Cause enough of mad at that girl, yeah. You see me, I say cause style Big style him, cause Biggs see him have money for waste, and I try get in him pocket at that Biggs I try though. You know what I mean? Biggs maybe they are gonna lick him all 100,000 if Cavii never load up the thing, or she never load up the thing. People let me know what they think. We are gonna end it right just because this stretch out too long with people. If anything, me share the rest with you later on.